Yade nyankopɔ ase papa pa sade anwom no mu asam tie no ade nyina na wieye no ene awurade enti sade tie no ko ne tie bia sade abobɔkɔ bia no fa ne nyina to awurade anim nemom meme sorry ene anwom bia besi mitiri mu pa ni se ade achi anofei se me da so metiasia beto jum na meyi awurade aye oh Adiachi no pay. Me akra minim de boy mi refi. Ana Esther a reverend Esenyameche. Well, I know no ho. Na me de. We ayi be say em say do twitwi we. I know no. Sa Michael Osebonsu ana bibi. Well. Ti ade achi wi sa oti ase a enwum na obeto ayi nyame aye so onim enwum to a no ane so obese wano sa kire sampa awurade oda ase mpempenso awurade ede wa ba bedro ene ewukwada ye de awurade ase papa adom ne ehumobro nti ena amaye nyina yete se ne ayetie bedwamdwumadi afri juada de kosi ne fiada ahomache no num empemu na se ya bam ye bebobonwum ne saa na yede Kenya wo spirit no sorry Mr. sorry na ade ache yenkope yenkoye adwuma onpotable to say ade ache sorry ya sorry nto so sorry me sure say wo hwe me enti said onpotable tie no frɛ yen na ye ne wo eni nkomo anopei say me say bi wo ho no street light no enso emma so esisi ho but emma ya na me bisa say na somebody say dey ya mpanifo twam no mu ne ade na no so ye ho adwuma no je say obi be cancer because obi ye da adwuma say ye ade achi ye ne ya ma ene say en ne say adwuma na wonye bie na ne na ne wokọ nti ade na wo a so fix box na ne ade no je say no ye answer on say wo adwuma ne ya light ne bia daytime hunu nti na ebi adwumre bi no watwam no ahwe say bibia ye adwuma no na ba mu ankasa wahunu nia ekoso ompotemu hono mo bola bi sum ba bi ana timu say age ya kwan no krampo aboso e de sent bi ba ho gata na ye titi mu no operation clean your frontage and crime 42 na make ba bia other regions bo from na hono mo ntesa o gata ne mu achoki ana say na hono mo no tie ana ya tu udie ne ya sesa gata ne mu ene gu kwan no ho ena emu awo na asa dani mfuturo na ese gu ekwan no mu mpotemu ba akopa asem ha me ye mal 7 former old peace FM ho nkoye kra ba akokra former peace FM ho de run about ho no mu no nenu anso toy ba mi hu ba bi enso no kra sa ba betai enu anso anto nti amaya na traffic ache wo kwan no so minim we de mpanifo mo meye hu bibi emfama ye na traffic na eche wo ho no mu nyina na da na de pefie se ye sa kwan no sa kwan na ho na ye nye ye nti ama ho aye si one time ti e besre mpanifo ani die mu a munye bibi mfa ho mfama ye na old peace FM mpanifo wo ho highways momra na momeye ho no mu ye emfa emaye na problem enti said America sa wompotamo to say na ye ba straight to wompotamo to say ho asem yesremo ne die mu me da se bebre ahomache sa bre ya wasori afreye no nyame hirawo mankind ewo elembele wompotamo to say mankind
nyame adomna omiti anamiti adu tv na miti yamambele na miti abeta the problem ba ko udu so yema na oba
ebi mumu amana
papa 2015 na NDC aban was no the post there's a 500 and the BC alabokazo eko atuambo area ho
mankind
empino da so
mankind
or parliament on kan wasembia anena chia ka bi enya accident was akwan no so osofo opon adwuma o machi be 5 o'clock okono na ka bi aseye si akwan no so ama agent kasi see papa no wuye ene akwara ba ko kan wo mo apon sole a okwakosi no wo fie nti MP no da so ye MP ogba no nsamra ne but ye minim se o ya kwadro MP isan se papa wo so na sa ba na free so anka this time no o da so kan wasem e wo parliament e ma parliament e hu ba bia contractor no e hye nti nkra me to no yes person we be wu e wo sa kwan no so
mankan medase papa migiri ye se empanifo no wo mutie de wo so bia ye won importamu no wo mo ebe nyame sha so frey bra kofi so ahoma no so kofi ano pai ya da se emu ache de wo ba bedwam so.
Hello, good morning, madam.
Ejo so papa na wo free hia no pai
Me free the cement about me the terms from mention of ya panye kwa
ya ma one so kakra ma me na me
mention of the terms so
okay the terms so mention no so ho na wo free
ya kwanye kwa especially wo free yenya so mo zo go ko na so to a basa em te be si so o dia onya ehye hu di wa ye bia
na the terms so kra de se na e wo krom kra o
oh mention of the so se me boade so bia e ho ka to film yenya so mo zo go ya kwanye kra ene batam layout na nya kra light assembly man umbe ye ewo emaye
aya sam
oh
ya da se
na so mebu abaso pa school adan na kabayan the pa go me tell you it is some chat there pa up to now textbook nya available DHS no curriculum ne kusa no any textbook ho ye bele pa ni learning materials na after so a lesson of one sem
Kofi yada se papa na yesre mpanimfo no se asem bia yede beto dwa no omuntie no omuni hu dwuma mfama ye fi se ye sho se nye ho nyina ba bia na otumi kọ na uhunu na nye nyina nso na bio wo mo be ka kire mo nti se atiefo no ankasa frɛ no mo ka na motu hu anamon ma me nkọ foforo so di no manti pronunciation ye fa cha Ban Ki-moon
yeah but some kasefi was region
Ban Ki-moon, former Secretary General,
Mpasa.
Hey, and all countries are no you. Been watching that say, Ed over bedroom so.
Mpasa, my decision say, what's region? You're quite or or free. Say you quite. At the bar, I will go acquiring it. And now free. I think go at the call. Say acquire a money, you know, say, or the conduct and say 4 years movie, or buy 6 years no quick. But when you put for one, the Kuyan, or any other council, the moon good mammy, and that was it.
Mr. Medas, Papa, Braco Johnson, Humano so. Quadram no pay, I'm watching, Eda said, over bedroom so. Quadram Pachoti and Kafra, Quadran, ye said your own potamotiano. Mayente yeni asomo bebre kwa ahomache sabre na otumu sa asam no hamu yie yada mo ase papa wuli nso ahoma no so William sa no pay mo ache da se
So we have no pay the work because every I have my copy as back on my constituency.
Me da se enti ohu ewo TV no na eni nkomo phone so ntisa ya na feedback na wadodo
ano pay die meto ye bebo ye MP ona boku pia bankwa menu abaso yie pa
oh kafra uli ahoma na tseko na ebia na ne mpesua no so ho MP no bo no homoden nti na ebia obebo na abaso no ye da se so wo ya ade a wo mo be kan wa anya ade nso a se de tie no pepepe ene wo mo de beto ho se ko bi so wa wan so se ko bia no pay ye moache eda se do ba Adum TV bedwam so
yo sister Fia me ma good morning sama yonkodo me ka se fi do ma hinkro
bia ko ye me da se papa do ma hinkro ompotamu ho no e ho te se e
oh nyame adom enura kra me kan kire se wo ba the principal street of the mine kra kota na kama pa be ted coat kra na aban di guso na akwan na kakakra na omampanyi afa ye MC anku ene MP a obi anim no health minister eso aye na ye sra ban se onto aso na onyena fi ontie Ghana for yesu ne how especially lorry fares a omasa aselutu no ena afisi so free SHS no onhwe na nka ontoa so ema yen me chia Ghana man nyina ne adom atiefo ne ahwefo nyina sister Fia and me ma happy good morning.
Medase papa nyame hira medafo ba konso aba homa no so me mo akwa abade oba bedwam so
good morning Sylvia.
Good morning medafo na free fi hia no pay
ba jo me free eja heba kwasi eja heba ya
eja heba
ba jo ai
nti hono problem no ye dia na
ye problem kese pa ye facing wo eja heba ye se wu twa akwa na mu no akofa ka e de akọ Accra no
papa facha mi o Mr. eja heba no anka se wo bro no be so na
jonte
aha o se obo hono na ye de no
obesna ba overhead new one no my no
okay
ai hona eja heba no wo edura no pa nipa ye twam wo ho ebegina other side kofa ka kwa Accra no se fi anyasem keto yesre mpanimfo any MP ni aban yesre wo ma omo modern so baba ye food bridge bi wo ho e de amaye omo ntwen ma owie ne nkosi ansa no ma beka se because Ghana de me mahunu no asem ma ya yentu anamo nti yesre aban ene honorable Moses anim yesre na hono di ehia ye nene kine ya omeye bibi mfa ho se de be ya enkofa problem ema enkofa problem ba na mlantia ni bufu no ko gina kwa no mu ye deda ama police ni bia mesi o meye yi bia ya da mase
yenso ya da se sa won so wo ha no de aba panifo ntie ora Moses anim a wo ye MP e wo ho highways panifo ya ye bridge kwan na kama na nipa etwam wo ho ne cars nde we ekono onya foot bridge wo ho a ebeboa nti omo so ahiade no ye gigi se panifo be ye wura mo akwata ene na dwumayefo papa bi mommoa ye wo sa kwan no so ntwan man kwanhia bi nsi emo bi nhwere ne nkwa ansana committee bi yate committee na no tobe sa yesre lizi wa homa no so oba lizi anopa me moache eda sa
me so me da se pampa cho me yese de misibo sanko bai akwanto ntimese tema me ba to assemblyman do ho ma wadwuma wia scan ba de so sa no chip
me bo mpacho hello o confuse me kakra assemblyman bi wo he
Brosanko oma wadwuma na wie na scan ba no ne wasa che scan mu anase wa ba se fa ne che pama no na te sa wa wo ble no wo enfasudie bia ama so o de mi se bia pasa akwa ni su bi nti mon kata nchire o mo pa because ya ko to aba no tie ni na ya ho beto ye na ye ni na ya ho beto ye na wo nya position na obesa ama madwuma na echi obeba te scan no ye nche ma na afama me esan sa abre na me do to adwuma ne so na wonya nya adwuma ne nti me ba ba gi scan na aya na emu aya
adwuma ben ya adwuma ben ya
o ma o mo fo o mo pra no
anti assemblyman no na at times and condition o ma o emra ana
o ma o emra bia ni ho se o fa wa emra bia ni ho se on de wa fa o bo no ne de o be kire o ne se on ne fa o nti scan ba ye so no ya de chip so ba kwa ye adwuma no ta no wa che scan mo obu o so ka cho se month no de wo so no na wunya start adwuma nti sa month na ye ne chefa ne dia no wa gi scan
ya allegation do umo obi adi de ba wa bokro ni di nti na ede ya assemblyman wo ho wan hwe obeje afa nti no we no ye ntumi nyi ntumu sa wo na wo kamea meni ho me hu evidence bia no ne ade nti no ho no so be ye different ye nkwa assembly ho ne nkwa report sese na ekọ wo ho so ate ase na ye resolve this issue no me so me da se me da munyina se papa se de ekoso wo mpotem wadaroma o ma ye nso ye tbia mpanimfo etu ho anamon suku eni krachi ntwumuro no so eye issue no so da ho no ma yeguso eka ene other areas schools ho aye problem ebi mu si dan no nanso aban emeboa so ada no bibia wo ho ni nyina yate ene ye boa ye twe ne ekosi school adan na ebi mu wia eno so nyina yate mu mie nyai ene obi a ono do school dan no ko mu ni bie omo te apata ase ete blocks so eno so ye problem books ko mu ni bi jese ya baba start project bi kura momre ye books ya momma use ya woni ya chiribe a wo fa nya hwe mention no mommo aboasa books no nyina no fama ye kama no ho textbooks bi a wa wotode ma wo ma no wo mu read wo fie no ni ade ni nyina mommo aboa no mre be so baba gigi ni nyina ni ade akọ amia bi a Uhu sa wo for no muntumi antumi nto books crans emfa ma sa nkwa no. Ye beje sa books no nyina na ye de akwa ma wo mo. No mo anso fie wo mo kan ne kakra I think say ye nyina ye ka bom ne ye sa de we betumi aboa ye ne ye mofra no mu bi a wo mo wo nkronkuma mu ya de hua books no ne ade enso ye challenge amo obo no yetumi nso de aboa wo mo because ye woni pa bi o mpeso wo mo kira de enu ase bi mo de to ho me pese me kɔ ho obi o ho a ewoni mu so pese oboa nti safo ni nyina nso mre no beso ne ahwe kwan ye befa so na ne mo akokokro mo no mo akɔkyerɛ nkura ya de na dachi future leaders na ye bo ho dawuro ne no ye hunu sampa ye gina bibi so nti dachi oman no ebekɔ yie ne ye gya ne tra se de brofo saa future leaders a ahwe na aye bibi o ho madaroma me kwa akɔfa kase no e de abro no sia bo pa ho sima nan ya de sima ma me mamunyina cheme mo akwa abason kodo ba Adom TV bedwam kase so ukwado no pa nsam bi asie na brason sam de bro sa Adom TV kase ensam ne de todwa wo mu bi ya wo betie nie enei wo mra bedwa fie no jo wise minority for e de wo nkrata bi ba ye sankaja ye mobo ho wamfa anya hwe enu mu nsam ye de babra mo ye bekọ kokọ tenten ensuo so ho nsam e ye won dadwen enu ne nsam bi na no pai Bede bro Adom TV bedwam kase oba Facebook/Adom TV akase no wo ho enti wo pie frefie kra obetimi ahwe me live e wo ho me amesom mo me de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mu yentie se de nsam ni kire mu ankasa etie First Deputy Speaker Joseph Oseiwusu enra ekokuma wo mra hwebedwa fie mu ekire won krata bi de ma won se wo mo won wonye nhwehwemu emfasa nsam no ho just one me mukro wo man fa nya hwe o de to ba bi kura se yenko yanim e mu nkire mu Adom TV kase edeba
all the questions related the Public Accounts Committee if it is minded to investigate anything related to the COVID expenditure it fully stays with the authority and the power to investigate that particularly because all the accounting of it have been provided for in the budget which budgets have been presented before the House, and it is before the committee anyway. My view is that this motion ought not to have been admitted and is improperly before the House. I so rule. All the questions related.
Kokotenten eye ekrobi a wa Krofom district wa Sante Mantemu na ne ya make say wo mu kire mu se boho tete boho bi e wo hono ma hwe wo mu no abre na wo mu anya foforo bi se be ya mpanifo be pawo no na ya ye ne ye no afi wo mu de aye adwuma no aye wo mu dadwenti wo mu hia nsupa anom Adom kase eto so
me pa cho nsuo de ha pa edwara pa ne ko gina nsuo no ho aja ye bre papa nsa na nye nsuo no bi kroma ye problem kase ni nsuo ani nsuo pa nti me de me nti na nsuo no ho oden ma mo se nsuo no ase ba bi bro na ye wo so pipe ne ye ba akopɛ nti wande ye bre pa ye bre ansa na nye nsuo ni bi
oyere awo be 2 weeks ni mia na mani mienu pa na ti krom ha nti mia mesan ko nsuo meja mesola homa atenfo okro na mako bu nsuo no wa akura bi ase o makofra bobo ya ajimbe 50 cedi wodi galams na begua ata 3 days wa wonti na say 3 days bia o sinema tema ha me pa nsuo sempa de krom ha de
nsuo no ho de ma ya pa sa wan so lento ne asa ye wa ha no nkran mai ne bi su ko ai ball bonti na asa oba na ha ye di na ye kakran pa oba wunye nsuo ya na dom ntiji so de wa de adi kan besi ana wa twen ansa na obenya ba ko bia na wo de konti ha de
University Teachers Association of Ghana you trying to say you tag say womo strike no womo de aba na wie ye kakra tempera enye se womo atwa mukura nti no womo ma aban no nafu adunan 2 weeks aban no enti enye womo hyehye de ma won tesa obesa akọ strike ni bio
tiemu nyina mu no na da bia no akoye achew pase aban se anase ye employer no wose wa ye ready say oni ebe negotiation into omo sren yemfa ye strike no ento form na yemra ne meka yesikasem no ho asem eno ankoso ho a mpanyimfo bi a ewo oman yi mu bibi ti se yene a emampanyin dada je kufuo a sisi an ona ye chancellor ewo UMAT ena se Sam Jona a ono so ye chancellor ewo University of Cape Coast National Security Minister omo nyina do oman no beto asem no se omo sre UTAG yentwe strike ne sensen kakra na yemra yene aban tenase na yenye negotiation
Koko akwiafo ya womowo anyinam so ewa atweman wa bia German cinema wa santamanta mo se aban eni mpanimfo mra wo mo nsra ban mu sesie fi se make say foma gudie tuofo bi de wani ta besi won kwaye no so se woni se okakire osre se mpanimfo mra no meyi won free ho se be ya won kwaye ana wo mafuo koko afuo no e bi janda so fi se no an wo mo edididie
ye ekwaye e be fa so a e be ye e be hayen ne yesi afedi ya ton and won mo pen and so yam so de yesi anton because galanisi kan wogia and then each na be free wonsa but we afuya ne da ho a medidi so nkakra sa ama me ma ne me nana no nyina abedibi
yesra ban say China for no ne galamsey for no omoba omo tu nsuo mu no omo atutongo fokoko e benso no motu ba bi omotu bia ekokofo bi ensiwa bi ekoko a nyina eka maintain aban benya faso nso motu nyina agu
won mu ye
asankafo ni akwantufo ya womo efa adanse praso ewa adanse south mensino emu womo sre assembly no womo lorry park ho no enkoyie kra this nso antopa cha just honye so womo sre mpanifo so womra mesiesie hoyie ema wo
drivers na ye wa hanu ai ya adwumese ya nsuta ehanya pa nsu no bu first station ya passenger yin kro obofo car no kra no so ba ti o tietie nsum ansa no wabofo car no aya bowie na ya kan mu aya basa yempenisa
atache no ya na dross papa ya mo miriwa sei edu ba bi a obenwan anwan akra na hu ba bi a wo fa enti ya ha na say aban o meboa no mehwe ha the station ha anya fine man na ma ye so miriwa yesi ha ya mre
that radio ye wanije e ma ne benya mfaso ensu oto a enka omyetimi nya ba bi gina e ma ade science say otumu say de o man no so a ya ye bibia kama wa no ya nkra kra since ye wo ye be pem sa bre sa do ye hu bi
abusia ebe nan ya wo mu nyina sabe wo mo edidam a nam so nti wo mo ma me kra de gya de ho azise aka papa no pe na ehwe enkura na dom kase ama ne boni afreda mo ede sa ama no bone bai adehie free akiri ne benche beboa wo mo na enen so eku a won dinde generosity family e wo America memo nso akoye wo madoye
ade areho ne se obi di video sa abase yenua Ghana ni ewo ahonyehie mu fa nipa ne na mama yen na se momokra yen fa ma nipa no na onya na hoto no o se da bi me nam di video ne ba ye nti se wamfa sika no ensi meso de a menkyere wo ho akwan bebrede yen nti Mr. Amode me friend na nyenye biara se me pa ocho ye hu video we na me pese me ne Mr. Akon ekasa me kan ya na ode Mr. Akon na ma ne full name any baby a me kwa me hu Mr. Akon I was surprised enti ya me se Ghana ha no mo metimi aka se the best #1 FM station any TV station any Adum TV me di kan so aka biom Adum TV for nyame enhira mo enkankara yenua Alfred Amo
Omanhene ya wo Tachiman traditional area wono anso member of Council of State member wo Bono East Mantam ni mo si ade yo ekonfia me oto so nan enei wo de ato iyo kompanifo anim se dwuma no a wono mo deboa aban enwuma obambo mo no won tre wa hye mu nso emra efomfo ekroma nom ne ade fi se nipabonfo nso adoson CEO ya woda iyo kwa no COP Mame ya ti wa dodankwa ene bo aproko Bono East Mantam mu ananade nsemi eto nanim wenu ya Bono ene afomantam mu ya ba beto dwa se fa no etukotena wo free omayi mu akọ obi man so no wo mu ne di mu akotene pa o ha mu nchemu aduo wo twe ene ho nsam ena wo teye no
migration or irregular migration in Ghana. You see, based on statistics, in over nipa 100, emu 80, if you brought half a region. Now, I'm accounting for over 80% of irregular migration. But yeah, born in home bodies, education through media and our own presence there with the support of other stakeholders, immigration, labor office, and especially the assembly. This year, you called Robo, sensitization, national awareness campaign.
Mamina no so na bedwam kasiano pe no memfansi ha medin afia amankwa ta makula gudio mon sam eba na fe ye fisem pensem so e wo ho te ye kwa aba na dwumadie no nkaye ye de abore
akese ben sande ba ADOM TV so Adom TV so be dwumadie so de a okansi hu sempa esa kana no pensu ja me di Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace akudi catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messim Kunya Econo Quantum Coding Small and Saka and an open so our Ghana Gudim Ejao. A journey of 1,000 kilometers begins the very first step. Shanusmam say, you may cool Ahodom, you know, or Madama, on the room sick a great tree airtime at Chabwa and medicine shares some great fancy Jao. One ex-bet, I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa. Bet dear, who tried before, Nadine before trying to come up, I didn't come aside Manum. And Tasma Honey said, don't bet with money you can't afford to lose. But more than that, so we bet now, what they are doing a credit me to a bit in Sabo. Nemo, what it chain as a Umuadia, but more than that, said Busia de Assasia Bijao. Sika could be a champagne, a bit in Sankoton, mobile phone, did you say, boys, Bemosica. Farina could go so, they tried be fool, they didn't be fool. Bet dear, in you be an announcement tribe, and French bet, yes, Adia, was so bit in Sashi. Open bet and so dear, a 1x bet. Madama, woman that touched up what made the sanctions on Quit and Sejao. Jeffers Health Limited on the Jeffers Naba, no question of Papa, any beshe, I saw them, month with dear dance here, only Jeffers can save, but more than that, someone submitting a Kedwebi. Gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white feet, and asudipua. Baby, how, Ronnie Pito, Hannah Sedani, a single room, a whole bomb Buddha, so, but more than that, was set to make Jeffers a dweeby, beating a bois, Emaniama, Etian to Yedia Mount. Madama, woman that touched up Boamede, Jumedica, so Etnejao. Yensha CFMV matches out with PM UEFA Champions League. And now results in Chelsea, Eche, Lil Metropole, Future Macamina, woman Timmy Ante, Nafi Bilarial, Womsoni Juventus, Ebo 1-1, Omakenzi Kessia. Etimi eto femnim fa Champions League and out say the Honsun and soccer cry 8 message nyame adom matches na eto so uninterrupted asempa 94.7 FM adom 106.3 FM the live commentary no betia bro when you the vivid description of whatever transpired live on the field of play channel so say na matches no Atletico Madrid and Manchester United be hyesia kan na afi Benfica and Ajax so e dia kensin etia bo so e wo mutwemedia wo mo ebetia say dinim yenhya se ebio emfa ni ntime san kire o my Ghana madia enche bia ofan toss me no Ghana Premier League nim no eno so be hya se na otwe awie na wo ma se benyado o madane e somro no mo we club administrators e okrum han e referees o matches umudini ebi etroka na so ni nyinam no Ghana Football Association President Edwin Simon Okraku Edwin Komaka Cretin say just referees no wo mo de hye bi twen say guakoma mu gidi pass nyame adoma o fa toss me no de mu beda okrogenti say nyankunsu.
Had enhanced compensation for referees in this country when they officiate games. We've also introduced our partnership with STC, where STC is a partner for our leagues, the Women's League, the Division 1 League, and the GPL. All this is geared towards improving refereeing in this country. Plus, the sponsorship from ZAS that ensure that all the referees have neatly sewn uniforms for their personal usage during the season. So refereeing has been key on the agenda, and I think that we've been very proactive. I mean, referees who have not been up to speed, obviously, are taken through the due process, i.e. when clubs complain about bad officiating, etc., etc. The match review panel is there to have a look at the performances and advise accordingly. So I think we are on the right track. Refereeing will definitely be on the rise. It will not take one day. Don't forget, we also invested in communication gadgets for match officials, and we're going to invest in more communication gadgets very soon.
Ticket Edwin Simon Okraku or Ghana Football Association President Nathan Council Din Komo Etuja e dia fasena ofen toss me no Ghana Premier League ne besia ko with referees a edem from Abrani be Ginama Pantem Asha Ben Amasha se na Masande Abewie pa Ron Bolton or say the referee is the only person who can rob you and still have a police escort. Nyame adoma rest na nema besia ko e wo ofan toss emienunum but ye kike ni kire mu e wo eye African Games na nyame adoma 2023 ana Ghana fompen fo aka ntamadi nsiese nyame adoma e beje sa African Games ndi ese so na Dr. Ayekwaku Fosu Asare ono ana local organizing committee pen for edne to ano se chairman o hwabo manema etiakuyi ene wo mu dwumadi a wo dina ase enhyeda entutu yi papa bia saaye ene ntin sentrofo exercise on baturu anasre se fisa abire ko de nkamafo enfo mani nkyere athlete a nyame adoma o metia ko de magana no ye monitor na fa performance no kone ba no eno mum ne emfa ho komomra sense ibetu enu asi obuso o mu dwumadi a o mu gusu edia ase ekonya sa chichide nantie
have been made to bring everybody to the table. As LOC members, we want every member, every stakeholder to be part of the games. These games are for Africans, I should say. And these games are owned by the African Union. So when there's a problem at that level, it's very simple. An agreement was signed for the Moroccan Games, and those who signed the agreement, we were not party to the agreement. The three parties who signed the agreement, there are a bit of misunderstanding, and I have always argued that every contract you sign, there are articles like how to resolve disputes and how to terminate the contract. So if you have a challenge, you have to invoke these articles and get them rectified. Nonetheless, we on our part believe that these issues are issues that can be resolved. We've made the president, at the highest level, efforts are being made to get those issues resolved. So I have every belief that these issues will be resolved as quickly as possible, and it will not threaten the games. Let's be very clear. Athletes must be placed at the center of the games. The games are for athletes. The games are not for individuals. So whatever we're doing, we have to place the athletes at the center of it. These games, don't forget, are to promote peace in Africa. These games are to bring about unity in Africa. These games are to provide platforms for the youth to showcase their talents, to build their careers. These games are meant
to the African Games.
Africa.
And I'll tell the local organizing committee chairman, Dr. Kokufu Sesare, what the ANSM to just say, best say, focus on. Oma e babedi dwumadi no mekire atleta on betumi ka bana ne ho koneaba no om ne emfa focus na enkom so senano da story bia ne nam from chess access na Ghana ye ko at a very snail pace no anhwa na pemfo tiansa kwaji hosting right na fiensem ne dia mo bufro o se no kra tenchine ba hokura se nim ene Ghana jesi ne so se kinkim a ehwe nim se nyame atoma nyama ebetia koye e wo African Games na ase ye fi oni entwam emfa ni nkire mu e okofodua na okofodua ofa sumu a kakran krasa afa akwaduma obetia kodu kofodua na arowosem ne se Kofodia Sports Stadium fi emre osaje fo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah e kan chine guye no wo Sports Stadium no ne plan no ene ne safo na wo hwa hu nyade anyama 18 sakwe de mom eme be twa mu RSDO eye mehisu rest in peace eye owura aye e be twitwa eye kubenu de begu o stance say amafo ba intimate international fi emfa kensi intimate santentam so eno pan wa athlete ahodo a omu fi Eastern region na se pima temina no womu yusu Kofodia Sports Stadium no ana womu ede ahosesi na aboa ema nyama 18 akoye ede amom na ene ohwe Kofodia Sports no team sampa ayira te se pani atompo no nwem na so na no ada de team san kire kobo ani akoma ehwe se na nema esi koso ene mpemfo de so so abofema nsakara kakra guso ekona mu nsakara na ekoso Kofodia Sports no ase no so ekonya ase nwanante nya de etia aboa ema nyama etia san koyi na ne edi ekuhu ye Kofodia Sports Stadium ebini
Kofodia Sports Stadium ana yabepia yehwese na nyama esitie edema stadium no na stadium ya ho be 70 cm nei edi ani time sanchiral benfo die gate na kama na ewere mu ahwese na nyama esitie otimi sampa o my restaurant o my pink stand afo my yellow stand na afo my green stand ewa hano afin so ye hu se o construct bi etise press box a commentators a hodora ebetia be pim stadium hano om de omani betia sanche first edifice no hair glass na ya shedi na second one no glass ya sheda share am sure se ho na VIPs no enso betia sanche aba the third one ewa mensa nifa so na be bisa be nkum so na eno so ye share glass nka kranka Koko stadium na chin so a o my baby a basketball for na netball ni handball so o so betia sanche ago mu so mo clear edifice no ba park no ana say so far there untouched ye fence sanka park ni we so there team some passes a nke say aba mo no green no na she e park so ana fe so kwa no instead of say nka park na ho round no ebe mu say bi o mo construct Titan tracks nye hu Titan tracks but nye hu say o mo de quota ana ede gravel say go so say kama ede etwa park no hu nyina hia but uhwe mu ne cinema siko so ati sampa construction egu so ekoso sese ya ana benfo e dia wohare e beye Kofodia Sports Radio gidi passe e ba be ka be hwere mu se be se na sa kan sese mu dia na nye asema be ni kan in the future e dia man but we so far Kofodia Sports Radio ma yin ya tani ni ehu na that's how team sampa undertake a shape out team sampa we nose dive kese pa e hwe nim se kwa bia so no san hye so kwin e betia sa koso na kwa nim na boa man kwalan kuma se benya do mokum ha omso talent a e wa gudie mu no omso betia sa isu park e dey develop talent tu hwe mu dia in all no as en yama koso kakra wa hanu ma team sampa face of the Kofodia Sports Radio assistant kakra mu aka sempe fo betia sa bone boa na ya finishing touches na wie se na yama esieko we mu ha na ha din we se na university a polytechnic ba ku lesio na face pretty gas be ba ko benkum ana ba ko ni fa so a wo so se ya mo hwe ma mo hye dan TV gas entino yenso etwom ho a ye de eye sa report we tin sa brent we Kofodia Sports Radio and your report live e de afi
ti Kofodia Sports Stadium eyaka akwantum na nei wese na Mexico campaign for asha said the construction tin sa pem so but adwuma na ekonya enti omo ehwe nim se youth no ehwe nim se nyame adoma mpemfo beti wie ne ntempa so na omo so de adi agro na boa ema talent awodo apie mantem no omo so etia dom hodi e di esronko e di ama oman no channel so am say 1xbet have always told you that betting is better than soccer. Up a bet, yeah, manage 1xbet. Bet with money that you can afford to lose. Sika you your school fees, you your danka, you your light bill, you fame try bet. But more than that, say 1xbet na pedia. Or they are joining everything to bet. No, Jeffas Health Limited at the Jeffas Edu Tasha no sunaba. Jeffas Edu Memanum Emansunum. We said to me can be a no subeboa and Maniama atu dia Mamadama. One the touch boa men and pensidia we can see him senpai saka it mijao. Within the Enoch, Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace, a good catch back up. The only nomenclature of Professors Degree in Sports, the Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and I'm of course, evidence-based sports and teaching it Mijao. The act of being a good guest is to know how to say goodbye.
For the cause about I was a pair, Jumezido, Mijiza Oyaza, I try to match her because I don't know more filler, and some baby or on my manure baba can, some baby or on my manure baba should check on come out for home. Talk about some homes in the year. Mame Boatema, the Fantido, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association. I cover some call or baby Biara, a war, Chrome Hadi. Now, and I probably questions to be or my jondo. Me penemi bisa there. Ana yerusuaze ana are we learning as an industry? Are we learning from our mistakes? Are we learning from our history? Yes, bibi ana another baby yetna. Yes, you have to say. And now, my second question here there na obi mo ezban obi zinusale she wonu mo ezban me Eliza. Itu ma kan mo ye ya. Like ebotum na akan mo ye ya. Hey. And I pay say I chill madam. Mazin Sunday papa Sunday Sandra Sandra couple why no entertainment investigative reporter on an amase. Ya investigate ya hwehwam into some is be pa na my music can maybe some Black Sheriff there na arrange be abazin na park if you manager ni fie na not Black Sheriff mpo okay that door manager or like or mention that door manager abazin na Black Sheriff a park if you manager ni fie na abazin to kwa na kwa sign them contract no empire contract no and one manager nti what was that for? Na abazinti na apa kefi wo manager ni fia na pay mo question nyina anyen because years to some de abranti ba no wa apa kefi ne manager ni fia na enya na nkote because you know oya wakwa de oya adi bia yo kodo say worry out as artist worry about fofora camera ahomrase na wokodu baby za no asam na a different story. Inti ana pay masama mbibi say nyina in the Black Sheriff abazinti na park if you manager ni na DJ Slim won cheche mu kakra wada munsami orokodo fa Black Sheriff na ne manager na Empire deal no akakwa sign wo Nigeria no won take DJ Slim na yembra sisi
Ebi radio one on Facebook me boa mumra mere
etu mra ni a Tracy
se Sheriff no so se me moa me boa o mehwe mpabo eguso se nye ne dia then a chase India no problem sameba makoju champa bo bi wo ba bi nti we kura me mamomfa enka ho
good train go sano
also one day otimi to 100 pieces 100 pieces
well gumi car to ase akamema ba kun yenya artist dia it no why should be surprised
100 pieces in pabwanko a hey your artist bi okrom ha say osu okwa sorry cast and bind say opobia man manage no. The reason me I don't manage artists, I'll tell you the gospel truth because me who
so grateful.
Me who oh na say yes of course obeti me aka ho asem. Obeti me aka ho asem. Obeti me aka ne bless ho asem niema bebrebe si e wo mo ntem obeti me aka ho asem. But ma me nkoso. ABN Radio 1 on Facebook. Mama ntro ade bi hwe Black Sheriff
ma menchechera asemi no pom na mo fam wate o sande Black Sheriff no yenyim da oya sister Mariama no onye Auntie Mary na ba because it a Black Sheriff no nyoma oy dem all can life story or share any experience inti yenyina yenyim da Black Sheriff no oye ankona mo onye boys onye wona ma wo so no mu kanka kra ehu na yenyina yenyim da the Black Sheriff or manager na sisi ala video ye hwe yi se mulubo nchirema na mampela bikache wunyan de san na owo manager manager no otum otok wa man forecast tundra kwar 3 saloon cars was tundra no kwa waziman wenye 1 week mpo na okase ka no Black Sheriff otum o hene shop krum na wa agye mpo 100 oza ma brent ye ba no ehu na enyo no oye the bone of contention o wa hade because kofu to me enyama man kofu but abrenti eba no o hia Burna Boy no ko Nigeria no ya tira wa sign the contract foforo ho abra manager yi onyim ho hwe odan manager wa Ghana odan je o Ghana hade ko Nigeria ko sign the contract fofor with Empire inti in a maybe sa question the Black Sheriff abazintina park if you manager ni fie because ye nya nte da obe na wa park na nya ma bra manager nya we dey to afifie o ehu information ya to into no ye bisa there oye no kwara na dem o manager say manager ye de minya me nyina man na still wa sign contract with Empire oye no kwara Black Sheriff abazintina if you manager ni fie yo midibese ha nso ze ezibeshe wonu ze manna ka kire me de mama enka tino second sermon Black Sheriff second sermon and as a waswa as a jikakra no a beautiful song by all standards talent there abrente ba no or you good or you dope eho and na when ya Burna Boy no onye na ye remix enyom no international edano kra no basketball bi ase NBA bi pass na enyumi da do me say hey Ghana nyo no e be do into no Black Sheriff areas papa you respect what talent edwuma ne area na so no osade bite nsa always ba mi na into no Killer Black no za samaban ma ye hwehwem ye guda ye hwehwem no kwar bi owom bia no ye saka ye zeba bro because nsa always ba mi zize men don't want that never bite it men don't want that they keep me sitting easy ehu come ahwan ye ya na da hwan wa ha careful na za na away from that no into da na nkomo bi aye hu social media nkomo bi aye hu social media na oya ba nkomo a yenye nante de Kelvin Boy has been arrested. Yet the Kelvin Boy wa arrest no you hu the bloggers be aye your stories na they are na ochewimpo minya inside information there oyaza wa arrest no na asem ni nyina nge there wo kire mo wo say rabe bi onye no wo ba Deborah wo so onye no wo mbebie wa akobobọ maame no wo kire abobọ de obobọ bi wa abobọ bi pa pa ama eraba na zinu ko police station wo boso ye no kwai ma wakan aka da wa man remand you know switch focus no da honom no abrante ban Kelvin Boy ni picture ni inti no im Kelvin Boy ebe I fall for you down flat aba woman I fall for you down flat na embraces ya ba nya butala answer the record no missing inside information ho filler hey I fall for you down flat whichever again wa bro the down flat all to form down flat hey God of your castle hey it's no come on record nyere hum na so no maminji kokonsa ne analysis what kokonsa reach ma no as a reporter court wo ehum asam no yenye hu du kwaro mu so no kokonsa reach ma as a reporter court Emma reporter no information as the man or boy ya bo judge bo izin as o call do hunum nyina no abrante ba ni chechirem na mrekadam ekesa asam do atasa because ehwe kokonsa ni analysis no ye na oida man na wo reporter o court room honom na so no information a ye na adwene ye investigate no ye call round hwehwem no wo peda wo che na asam no nya no kwar eto meka na asa wo kirem asam no onya no kwar na kokonsa nya na analysis no en judge is it because some day contempt of court onya glow but mankasa one of the questions are wa majon wa man tasing there usually no me hu there IGP for free obey say watch public figure bia na woman information but the information im huni now so no filler because confusion no why basa won kofu won ditrim obi say aba baby mama bioma na wo so wayiro na wayira mpa Sandra Sana couple inside information yenya no yes the bottle honom erabe ya ni hwede nyim CCLA do ache ni tiru to ha na wa ache at ni don ni Deboran iyi baby mama no filler iyi onyi baby mama no na nkomo wo krom nyi de wo so wa atwempena 10 years there be was 6 inside information shede or 6 years no onye erabe onye na atwempena onye no wo mofra ma bien beautiful kids lovely mofra ma ni won na wadadui lovely kids believe Brown you know Kelvin Boy ni say name yen nse hu mofra ma na wo ho ye fe papa na flowers no won echi ya aha ti Kelvin Boy ne two no oninyi na away from there no abrante ba no wara hwa anyum to fuzu nche wosida fa ina sisi ara wanya yer mama fa na yer no so mo fan show that Sheila Brown erabe ya mebo eni page a kire wi iyi Kelvin Boy na wife a onye no wo ho wifey oninyi yankwase raba no so no ho ya kama pa nti no inside information ayenye yi iyo or tattoo cry won nsa ho Kelvin forever this is ncha we hu Happy and me or che one no kun na watch him what share in 2020 na 7 months ago na wo worry kokonsa obokum 7 months ago na wo worry now so no yes send your information na o che there erabe onyem over a year mami what ma bakani nyira o kokonsa bokum ma o chere mo blame ne akrono ne no mo wona azaza into no odozi wolizibi na so no nsam wo ho odozi wolizibi na so nsam wo ho ya try dey be contact Didi won ma won saka Didi no wori chirem dey Didi so anya no kwar yenye information krampo do was jam wo frɛ Didi mpo no What's today? Calvin Boy record with Wizkid. We chi honom. Inti I'm like, obi a was so remind say, us don't record we chi ho. Oh. Me you look say as at now confusion ayebasa. Confusion ayebasa yenyim what exactly is going on. But Sedidi, say as a Calvin Boy, one chana, where is Calvin Boy? We want to see Calvin Boy. Ye pede yehu Calvin Boy. This a one chana. Ye pede yehu. So watching us can you cry your hand? So watching us just Calvin Boy ayazo. Woman beater a brubesia. How? Like how? It took me a brubesia motor down flat. But you no call as at this moment. Since the better no, as a bronze inside info no. In the Mayamo now, yente I fall for you down flat. I fall for you down flat. Inti come on, good easy. Atasa. Inti into the no yesan yes spotty another video baby mama no a friend. What for the Deborah? Deborah, only baby mama na ha, ne friend. Okay, can sembi kakra into no yente na yembraces ya.
Calvin Boy. And the one who were here, always said the curiosity. Once on you may pee, I hate him with them. I mean a triaka. I mean a triaka, or barn and a berry. I shall see ya from more brim. A year mound, and I'll call be a year and a court wedding, and I and him 1 year and you won't order. Until me, who are crying as for Daniel. On what was I for Baffro, as I and I rented dine at him. Nina, Deborah, Wanka so. What's say, or would you come your man, Agony Pabunti? Wabono. On saw them. Chromian saying, say, same runner, Hano. We are style, we are one you. A doer, ne'er do. A doer, ne'er do. Me who the men control. Munyama, Namoni or Motse. No more, boy, my am office and Benjamin, Calvin. If we are seeing and our come. On said in your man idea. On said in your on said, one cassa. What don't walk my yachu, on so them. We know who she. If we are so wow, the same our papa, and also chair bonnie. Where the girl and Nissa, Deborah, and Madame for pa. Where did Nissa? If you are friend and me tunifu. Where did Nissa? On send a wild don't walk. Am I at you too? We know who she. Officer court at the hawker. Yes, I say a cockort cake. Bra. One I don't walk. Into face why? Baby are down so da. Miminya and carpet down. Let the horse, because so bad a bunny dear chance. Think I da one more. Would the best answer? A bua and Cadia nefe. So you be a chassis. What shall say, Mamma, call me, no fair come a moti. Not Miss Akko, worry or baffle.
Mammy in a papa. Mammy in a papa. And cause we are your pow. And now, cause we are your pa. Now, so no, God of work as hey, Cassa Bebre, who's or codo. Mo pacho, mo inside filler. Nkomobia yokopedo, nkomobia yokopedo. No, so or share different side of the story. Because if you're Rabazi, I try to Calvin Boy when you've been a sister, a lot of forgetting the baby mama. No, okay, baby, or a day. Maintain bay. Now, so no inside feeling. You want to say, a rabano, you know, what text message and Mr. Sum. Na Nimpana or Casawan only Chermade rabano, oh, Jen papa, brown family no, rabano home and papa, Deborano. Onye bieni, no pede Calvin Boy warreno, but better one wearing into no, or my boy in house one crazy. And that's it, see, or the more from me. As I say, that girl has put the Brown family through too much drama. They have tried to make sure she and the children were okay. And she was ungrateful and preferred to try and tear them apart. Calvin Boy's wife has really suffered with everything this baby mama has tried to do. This is a desperate attempt to get attention. Calvin Boy is rising and in good position to represent Ghana on the global level the timing of this is very interesting. Into no say I can asemia. Achama Rabana saw how agent. Ehu. Na sister why? Like sister why? Sister why? Into no say a Rabana no wekes akosha to bread and no watch no. So you no crowd or bono. He said this girl is evil, wicked to the bone, and he has taken everything from me. For me not to strangle her for what she has done to my family. Into no a text messages inside fella. Konje obi ehunda na me da kire won. Ma me hwekakra na nkomo ho. Hwekakra na nkomo ho. Ti say raba no so obo so ye no kwalo. Ye guda ye hwehwem. Sa Calvin Boy odemo so ndemo sa warda da hino so ye stanto. Mo be si biara no ye betam na ye za bro. I fall for you down flat. Calvin Boy wa fall down flat wa house. Wondering so no in the look into no say me chicha say me na me si ne power. Ni na the Calvin Boy Mr. Brown or ya artist wo krom ha dey dance hall artist na abrantie ba no sana 6 years ago onye era ba bi wo ho friend Deborah onye no wo mofra ma bie na sisiara no 2020 no she another woman wa were 7 months ago a era ba nyem a on way na time apa ho ehu na yenya na nte dey a police fo akire no ya ti da police fo akire abrantie ba no de wa akwakobo ne ex girlfriend ya onye no one baby any baby mama no ya ti de wa akwakobo ban asat na me utire so no koro ma me nyim na so no inside fella wo mro na mza mo no na ho anye into no fana wona kasa titim ai investigation for awe bebezi nko konsa no ninyi ko konsa no ni na Calvin Boy Mr. Fabe oye into no woman face ha awe bebe show nkwanan ye wie into no away from Calvin Boy you know ma monfo tu fa na yenko bosom piyong ho na ochirechirem the most difficult decision he has ever made wiki started you know mehu don komo bebre record pa because what story say be you are discussing you know your two big stories memo another one there's a third story na third story no zotinge there adwasafo MP son or a minister for MP war Domekwa Benya the maranso uno gender minister women and gender minister na mami oshahin adwasafo ninki yinu nko anya masam but the moment TikTok nko no wa baba fam ho because ho nyina o area ho nyina o yemza into no the moment e be ko du honom no na asam no wa baba fam ho no constituency so na mo wo hacho into no me MP ni yehun yetete wa na yehun wa TikTok yehun wa TikTok do na yehun there na ex-husband Honorable Kennedy orichirema raba no nyanyaze oda na yeto amama on epe baby katena how yehun wa TikTok na as to whether the account na nkasampo no wa na zana don nya na zan no videos no so or your current videos on share no baby ara ye beka do obi cafe na oza akwakoto honom 24 hours wendru account no call the account is gone into no videos ninyi it is awe hwehwe adwasafo no on ninyi or TikTok
mawani me hamoda yawadi anibio yesu yawadi anibio
Jiwenyua, you only live once. You only live once. Jiwenyua, na nipa so ye den after all 6 feet. Untuma me na so no Ghana for the e be kire ho. Inte no hwasa ma anyen ma mensan mu fo nkesi Bosom Pyong na asam no do no richire ma you know Zora be king or the hardest decision we take ever into no yensa na yente na yembrasisia.
What is the most difficult decision ever you've taken?
Most difficult decision ever?
Yeah.
I think not chasing the money at my early age.
No one samara and also when chase is cantam. Man put the more than chase is cantam. Me chase is kazi. More consider. Now so no it's not my care no asha no. Since be she won no more ways Ebenezer men cow. The man soon as much as possible no. Woman yen try to avoid baby mama drama. Like let's just avoid all of this. What's today? I want share. So Kevin boy, ha, what down flat is there? Whoa, hey, waffle baby, down flat, waffle baby, or international. Internal, you are doing really well, and I appreciate you. Papa. Now, so no, I had a number of page mezino entertainment investigative reporter Sandra Kapo. And also my son Damara and Wilbert Kofi Pedro, producer director Priscilla on our director Thomas Master Abraham Madonna Papa Cameros Moses Prosper and that way sound no Santimun Kebioma Mammy Beshia Friday yati Mudo Bebre.
Yada se papa mam boat ene Sandra Kakpo yada omase omode ahosepe no abre obi anhwe no huye so ati ase na nyame no so ohwe so de bia de du so no yaba bedi efisemu enkomo onim de wukwada bia ye chechre ono yema ahudo bia won so betimi aya aka de wo yadada no ho na yes dwuma na na ye bie ho kwan de ama wo na nsa na mekoe no so no me na sponsors no ase ye do masi ye papa sanyo onu mu a ke bia wunya ye enhwe e wo Facebook ana mo fiefie ahodo mu St Andrews Senior High School and I make come for the ama wo fo ne about time so wo pe Senior High School e do bakwa St Andrews Senior High School na make come for e de ama your boarding wo honti mfa ho ne bia wo bia betime de obanaba St Andrews Senior High School and your track courses ni nyina nso bi say ye math say ye science vocational ne ho ne nyina no St Andrews Senior High School for eche nti awofo ne about time pe school papa na fa obanoko na ye papa nso de a na ye say ye St Andrews Senior High School and I make come for the ama awofo ne about time shanon so ye mfa ye banoko ba bia wo bia wo mamu no St Andrews Senior High School sebra na obeje wo ba no atete ne yie ama ne da chen so awie die DBS roofing sheet e do mo se papa de bia se de meka no open chance papa de agu dan so say ye school dan asori dan wa ufie container bi no wanya bibia wo si wasi awie bia wo hia kataso ye chance ne de e DBS for de na meka fo e de ama wo nti no hya no so na pe DBS for chance ne bi na fa gu dan no so enso beton from anamu ni ade wo nte hwe awie ye body din se DBS in chance in eguso a edan mu nya hye ba ku sei ti se wonya air condition sika ne fan sika e ma ne nya problem bra wato DBS for chance eguso no oda no ano no dan mu adwode bia ni bakoi e na eso ya se yemfa efisem nkomo twetwen emrew nene yensua de ne yesua sanu adwuma ba ne yakwa akosua na yenso bia ye wo fie a yanso ye ba ne kakra wo ye ne kakra sa wo ho ansa ba ye business the amount ye adwuma ne de ebi wo around na sebe ya wo behunu enu nti na wadum TV bedwam ye wo eda bi a ye yesi ho se wo se yesua de e wo nsano onwuma ahodo bia bi mu jese ya nte ye bekọ ho ya kwa akofa na ye de aba na wo so wo hwe ye ya wo so asua bibi e de afri mu ti ene se de ye meat pie ye pani de pa ye aduane bi a any day any time utimi di ewia pa na wonya meat pie ye hye bi a wanya odokodoko bibi de aguso ho agu nhirene nche se meken tu se ne namonu ne ade sua we bi ye se be ya wo fie a wa so ne family obetimi aye nti meat pie ene ye kwa kusua me ba mebusa wo question ba ko mienu bi ahwe ye wo sua de afri mu enkomra. And then Diamond Matiasi Abonte, Mama near Amedia Tiasi Abonte, and say a fish somewhere down show with TV so. As I said, when you're so fast, it's who hear TV. No one be sound who say, ah, now Miss Solo Crown, I'm sure if it's somewhere dumb TV so. For so ben I mean your film, and for so be obeying your film, my Jane want to say, and then no one down someone exhibition runabout. Many anti-dockers, yet the barbet slow be. So I say, now my own swag I say, ah, Miss Dumb TV a fish no. And I met who way at the co-pot ya baby, no, Auntie Docas were head to a boy, am I to me? Aye, Auntie Docas patch of it, yao, a jodo, Napome, Adumo, a Jumon Sway, Yamadu, and so a Jumon Boko, a tea, Yahorian, sa, Yahorian, so your sanitizer, so you tonight say, covered non coy, anti sanitizer, no. Now, would the beer on Saho Kama. It's who you're near money in our hand say. Mr. Way then. Enchen. Okay, Pacho Winsway. Nutmeg. Okay. We did you, Mammy Daddy, who be that. Pacho Winsway. We have food color. Your median a color below. Oh, okay. Yatia, now they are 3 ways as our. Okay. Mehukosia. Mehu 10 fish. Mehu Pacho. Okay, we are more father. Matthias. And I met who Jane anyway. Oh, okay. Yeah, the bay near the bay feeling. I see. But when she a margin, band. Okay, Matthias. And now when she a flower. Some. Oh, okay. Yeah, bay then, Pacho. Yeah, bay pie. Meat pie. Pacho, yes, I say. Enti ye pie na ya shase ayeye no. Enti Mr. Madre no ususu o tinyina ususu. Okay, enti ya theatre no miensa no no. Okay. We na sa wambo. Udi we ba ko na fa. Oh, okay. Na meti magi 3 spoons. We no miensa. Me de ba me se. Okay. Enti ye pie na ya shase no. Okay, see, so see a dear, near mammy, you know the walk pine. Okay, and see, and near mammy, no. See, yes, I see what near mammy. It's some cacra and Madrid cacra. Joe. And to say another fit now. Okay, see, Abusia, Auntie Docas, boy, ama ye who said ye meat pie. Etiana washa see our fit and one more what I say. A salmon or the way in a saye, baconefa. And our margarine so or the 3 way at say ye me and sa. And no good so washa see all fitting and answer or they air frano. Into ye, Auntie mo papa, Auntie Betica cracker. There's a margarine, Auntie. Okay. Betty to be a count. Okay, Joe. It's not to say a warm pen so as I say what they margarine fry it to me could do. To tear me and some I'm fat. Okay. I see. Flower and a dose. A chain, margarine now. It says here, manna. It's off it here, so who's I day? Pocho, I hear me. It is all the margarine now, more say now, more. A new baby, as I said. Yatia say. Okay, tea. Ye meat pie nana, ye go so a year and one hobuano. Shannon so say, Auntie Doc has say. So what the margarine no ne is some no fra. One some no so to me who say a fra ma moi. It to me moi. And to say all the frana so moana a sabu and some name to me moi. Not to say I'm fan no. As I say to me the it become home said the who say why you not. But joy the car very bagum. Yeah the milk powder. Milk powder and baby. Okay, Joe. That's yes. Enti chese pa ya de bia edi de. Ya na doko we wo mo ho.
Ebi mo mfa ye. Me nkwa na me de.
Ajo.
Me so me secret ai.
Matu asie pese bia se de obi a wo the secret. Matu asie pa. Ene ba se ma ne da ne de no dance. Ate eti ye de afra. Okay. Teno so uchi kukuru ane ba. Jo ya ti ase enti dodo na wo de fra ne nyina ye dodo a pese wo. Eti se sia no ye hyase we powder. Esam. Na ye de margarine fry. Na ye de ye milk powder afra. Na se sia de ye nutmeg so afra. Enti se esi ho no eniama nan
na ewum.
Jo. Enti abusia pie no na ye guso a ye no. Na sisi ade we na edu so.
Pocho ye be ye nsuo no na ye de salt egum.
Aha, na sisi be ye nsuo. Mama fa we emwa we. Ye ye nsuo. Ihe ni nyina gu.
De bi edos. Bede.
Okay. Yeah, cheese you.
They in a color.
Okay. Okay. And color no, you want orange. It's not homa yellow. Oh, okay. Yo.
But try a bear me see.
My memoir na ye into we no. Into your 10 fish are ye de be ye me. Okay. Yo. See. No so ususu wo okay
Mary
so ntina te say pe dodo na flour na tie the dodo abehia ye atrenu mi and ye dey fry ye vegetables na we di kan chiche so ya ti ase enti ebusia afisam na wo hwe no wo Adom TV so no baby a megina ye danceman exhibition runabout mene Auntie Dorcas na ye aboa wo na watimi ede won sa ye bibi ene
ya be mesi
ya de nsuo ni be fra wo etinchi nsuo a ye no e na ode kakra e fra no tinye se uye ni nyina no wa hwe ni jo eti ye meat pie ne ho hyehyɛ ya na ye gusu a ye no okay mi so ma enti sa wo hwe yen wo efie o Facebook phone so baby bia ekwan ya fa so a ye meat pie enti we de wo hwe kakra ya Auntie Dorcas eboa ye ne aye ya wo ro abusia fo mo ye 10 kra na mo ofie a na eyi esam we cup ba ko ne fa de wata so betumi ato na onso atumi de aye bibi kakra ofie na wan ton kra mpo a anka ma wo de awo akonhoma so ho na efie fo so anya bibi adi enti se na fitie mu ana ye wo
pocho me de me nsa na etwa
okay
ibi mu wo de we kata na etwa me de me nsa na etwa
ya ti ase enti se ehi na edu
ya betwa
ayo okay enti baby ayedu no Auntie Dorcas yedu he
pocho ya me se ewie ya bewuro na ye fodu na ye da hye
se se na wo ye ne nyani nyina na na wo hia
David ka kre
okay pacho ye ento aso okay I see you enya hodin bia ye di
chibiasem
na de o tete ye na den
wo betwitwa won wo food na ye fine
yes I ho nya
kono
okay eti ye meat no e ma na ye pa na dia she
mfi
hey na nsa na de skills esia no da bi maybe maybe abusia mani abre mi sia pa ye manya bia ma mi ku amaya ma me medi wa back ayi ampadu ne pressure no nyina wo ho meye bia momo de nti ye gina hanum say asa brabra sa na mami de ayi fa so a mo hwe o emfa o boye
e be fa
aha so
enya emia won se
enya ho de metrai mani abre papa
enya ho de
okay me ya foforo enti no amfa sa na wi asete wo se brase ba ko na amfa to aso ne no
emia won se
we emia me nsem enti kakra bi se ya
na wa fa so
na adenden enti mi mia me nsem to so ofia na wo show ye mia ye nsem ne mo wo de be fa so say na adenden enti me kai say wo ye ne say wie ye no na na ho nyefe
na wo
enti wo ye bibi say na ye bibi say na ba ha say na ye ni say ene yi we ni free ho ye nya say
na wa fe
nti ye de ye meet no na asemu nti we ni say wie ye no okay na ye bibi say
obeyi ana atoso
na aye triangle say
uye ya ube nwetwa
edi yo na do say ye say ni say ya ye meet pie nti eno no na otwa ha ne ha ho enti say me de no nam na do so nti nam na pie nti nam no na sha hapofo my meat pie Auntie Grace yanto mo de na ye feche me enso ye besuan kakra okay enti sa cap we na wo de susu we sam na wo hwe nim say be wie no benya makomako ahe pie no makomako be sen
ebi ambenya be
ye nkoso
ebi ambenya be 10 ana 8
what me nya 10 free wow
nti a mi twitwa ho a be de kan wo ye
okay
ena meka to so a mi twa ho
nti ni nyina ebika
bika
okay enti na se me de na manu mo de ntimi nam ne ye kese okay na ya triangular shape okay
ebi a wu ni sika wo de kwato kata na wo de won se
jo ebe yi shape na
okay
jo ya ti ase eti ebusia ba bi a ye wo eye Danceman exhibition runabout Antidokas catering services aha ena ye wa ye chiro said ye obeye meat pie wo fie na also the abon bra ebia o ma ne pe ana wankasa wo pe wo title na so na ya mo hu se sam kakra bi ebetumi aye bebre enti wo hwei na wo fa adwen na also watumi ehunu bibi ye aye de yensa na eye na o de abon bra na ma watumi aka se me hwe Adom TV afisem komo chiche no me nso me hunu pie ye na che sabrabo na wo bo a emesa eno ne ye botaye ne ye de aba be pi ha enti pie na Antidokas guso a o kire ye no na pie de eyi ne wo mpa 10 fish no no akato so na ne odonsa we no ho Antidokas ma minye bio so ya ba no edumesia enti mi hie won so wo hwe Adom TV afisem yi na unso usia enti ye de fa so kakra bi se de o kire me no enti unya ne sei na chese adenden so ho ti adenden sa no a eno na be ma wenya enchanchen na twitwa no nti enya ahoden so kakra bi se ya so sasa na akire ni kakra bi se na chese ye twa enchen no na afade ana kakaka
fa so kakra
aha na ye take nti say ye take sa e ma ne be ne nyentemo okay nti ese emu ye ha
emu ye ha
oh okay okay no tibacho ye
Poche
to say afa level
afa level na we twa ho ka
afa level yi na say
twa
ana say ya pono nti ye twa ha na ya be twa ha so
na ya be twa na no kakra bi Okay. Na we twa kakra.
Na twa fi say wo ho. Okay. Enti ye wi a na ye yi enchen no.
Enchen.
Ye be say hie enti. Na de ato ha.
Na ya say nya 5.
Ani o
10.
Enti wuti fie na say adwuma ni ho a esam ayi konkoi ba ko ne fa na ye nya 5 enti me ba no say we no. Say 1 see the kra no a una wo kro no na aye rectangular shape say ayi triangular shape say me boa say na aka to so na fe wo don sa no
wo de mi wo de mi
say any say to say ayi shape no ti ebe bi mu ebe ben ti aye ba ko ka cho yem to aso okay. Ese mu ye ha. Okay. Let me abent. Okay.
Now wait.
Sure. Okay. Sure. Na ye rectangular shape no. A triangular shape no. Okay. Sure. Na shape na bayi. Okay. Eti ye nya ne say no. Se si ade na aka.
Ye be boy egg. Na ye da ye. Echi.
Okay. Enti me sure my ye hu se de eti no. Okay.
What are
Enti
red brushes.
No na papa ya be hu say
e we chiri
e ben ana brown bi wo ho no se ntreke say na to say ho no ya na nya hye na hye o ye kosua anti doka say bi mani I see. Okay, enti say oh boss ya say we ye oven tray no me boa na say na be ya fi ha na
akwachim
enti ya wie no ye koto ya wie pai no ye kwa koto
enti me twa mam na mko
enti eni ma ye de ye pai no anti Grace pato de fa show oven nim na ye bra enti let's say kosia ba ko no kra na betumi aye bebre okay, enti pato ye oven na de be shem no
we
okay. Pacho busia ye pie no dey ready akasa eko oven and asa funu no mo enti no so na kwan anti doctors betray anti doctors oven no mi say bi ni mi fie enti mi nim say dey so no so ho say
enti wo so wa na wa ba so
enti say gas ye we fie aha
na wa ba so wa
ba so ne form ho eko funo no mu anase eko ejam meka wo se enema ye de ye no eye esam kakra nti odi esam no eguwe mu no na afi ote margarine no atere no nyensa ote margarine wie na afi odi nutmeg egu so enti nutmeg nachi no na wo ye enchinsu ai no so odi food color kakra fry na odi ne safra fry ya kosi se etumi bedu sam pempen so e kai say antidocas shell say so the margarine no fra na sa wo moa na amoa say ya na te say wie peye ese se umoa etumi emoa enti say sia ya wie ye pie no ye bo no hu se de ye de we no etwi ya na metoto papa so minim misia enti wo susia na afei ye de ye nam no e she efifi ye de koja so enti akodu ja so e be di sen na bebe.
Oh, be about 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
If you shot 20 minutes, maybe a journey, by 15 minutes, baby.
Auntie, maybe so Jina Quaya before so.
If you are why I'm pen and time, I yellow one.
Okay. Now, to me cry the shame no Kojariaba. Oh, man, I be away of me the shame now.
And I be so when you over me, I went to me down, yes, Jasso. Now, with the paper at same. Now, wait, trap fire, now with the boom. What the best pot, what the baby pot, one answer, baby. na wo de sigya so na wo de paper asem
me ntiase said de omo be chenkate a omo de anwa gu ade
no di dra wo de paper besa so
wo de paper no besa anwa no so
na wo de pie na egu so
okay
na wo de we ne cover no wasa ujani kakra egu so iti eat no wo soro no obe ma na brown fine na ase no so beben
da se na ye chi ba yere wo mu no na bi esija so na anwa agum
bi sha
anwa na do na de paper ato anwa na so ti se de wakata anwa na so enti wakata so sa na de esam ye boy na atoto so na de de bi wakata so
wo de ne cover ato so na wo de wa pe cover wi ato so na wa sa ujani bi egu so ene so bebe wo betumi de ato cake donut the donut the say ye nya machine ya do to
okay eti donut ne cake no so abo so no eno so da foforo ye beba ne aba be sia se yi de ene ye sua pie a chef no mu a ye to ye da se eti me did say also what share bibi baby and the way exhibition runabout Dansoman Auntie Dorcas Catering Services and na wadom aboa yen ya yetumi ho said ye meat pie what said you may as 20 years in
na me ye wa
na wo ye no we
na ye wo Medina na me bai
na
me bai wo sanya breku
na the bank crying
me call Anna girls be sure na me call man krenche wo Medina
okay
nti Medina na me sister bi your friend and sister bi o London na niku no ye Lawrence Mujanes nti ye edwuma bi ye edwuma wa trefe nti me keka no a na me ne koye na man kraye so kaka na mi fiwo
okay
na me de ba wale
nti waka so ye home accounts for school ti kakra na wo sua ye no wa fa me da wa fa me yakwadro wa fere so so de be ye edwuma nti wo di esama ye edwuma sa 20 good years wow enti kakra na otimi de be je ha
na me wadan na obi ka jam de oluton ne container kakra bi na me de be share
enti me pa na oton na no na otimi de be to container kakra ya ye wo bo ka be yese
they do 15
me pa be ye du na ye ton ye to
isam one cup na 25
enti ye fa ne se obi hwe afisem aka ne koma se opese onsua bi no nya okura jetire be ya he obetumi asase
ono baka de bia mo oluko gun yi pa ne ma de ya endre Ghana obetumi asase nkakra sa oto da mi sam kilo ya
ketwa pa ba de
25 kilo kakra be ya now 5 kilos na ota na wa to margin obenye bi say ye won sachet ye we no na ran twa say o de mess no onye ya o sha asefofo batumi de oil kakra fra
na se ne be yo mo e be mo na watumi aboni se it is obi kra sika 100 cedis
obetumi aye
ni oven crampa
o de anwea ne beto na wakoto
na se we kra se yetumi che
we ni wo mama dwunkom
se de ye che no ti de ye to se ya wa kire yen ne no so nipa ni oven kwa obetumi de anwea so de wo kire yen enti se metena afisem so na me ka kire o se unemployment association no ye wo free mu a afei watemase ubetumi aye enhwe de nipa beka enka se wo na wo certificate ne wo ho me ka be kire wo se PhD kra obi wo bi enso wa sedwa wo mokola na wo ton ade se na be ya wo hwe TV a enfa so be ba so ma wonti na afisem ya dwene wo ho mekoso a ye refe me de me ni bedwam tim no me yetumi abro se na be ya na wo sa be ye bi e de aba obra na ye hia mi pae da foforo so ye de bibi foforo bebro kai se ye pae ne hye oven ne enti ye twen se beben ye nkomodi anim ne ye pae no Auntie Dorcas ma yeti asese 30 minutes no Priscilla na man chese aso enti Auntie Dorcas ye 30 minutes na so enti ye pae no wow mama some
Aha, yet me this is all. And yes, okay. It's your pie na be. I'm pedu de bako. O my hair bako. Priscilla bako. Camera phone ya benya bako. Sound no light so net is menya bi. So ni adon eh. Oh, to me the mom menya bi kra nya hwe. At the end of the day me who say dey pie. Nti me kwa ye bi ofie. Ebusia ne ye pacha na say. Meat pie na Auntie Dorcas share ye ma. Ye who say dey no no. Ye dey say ye oven. Pie na be within 30 minutes. Aben. It is say o koton wa anka ye ready sika na ye ready. Oni efiefo so na ebia anka aduane e na ye ready. Enti wotare na say siasa de ye nsa ye bi. Na etumi abo abrabo no. Na asitene ma ye mbre e de amon. We say metimi yi nose mask no ho. Na me ka hwe. Ha because me ko bi man kan bi de. Ye fa nka asem o ba bia. Enti me ka hwe de na che say pa e betu ye. Nka.
Oh, mu na mu betu mi abaka.
Doko no ba ku echi ho ahun. I mean, who say nika? So why we don't say bibi? Now we taste it. Now we can Auntie Dorcas say obi pese bia ofre wa de ye bobo so ye bia na ne refi nchene ana ne refi nutmeg ana say mpokra no na opese wonye bibi kakra ma one na hofo a ye mfre wo fa he
0244 13 0851
your mother for 0244 13
0851
0244 13 0851 Ebusia any Auntie Dorcas edi nkomo yi efi Dansoman exhibition runabout what who baby chochopo o sha wo disika fa wo ho adwen ne to ho fo ne pe bibiye na unemployment association no je ho free me da se ya sure pa se na wasua bibi na je say meet pa ye no unhia sika kakra bia kakra ye hia ne se ede na wo ton to menya bidi PRO nya bidi ebi nya bidi enye edi efri o omoto sa de be chine sika no faso abeda so sa na wo ye wonsa no adwuma na wanyen ti medofo ye de ensua de brawo a ye pay attention ne tie ne ye sa na wo pia frifie kura ne social media environment o kokura na wo TV ne said wachi wo phone no so ba Facebook/Adom TV ye wo na so atimi asua de e wo ho be me na St Andrew Senior High School for ase papa Upe school papa do ba kono eye St Andrew Senior High School wo ka ho ene de bro DBS roofing sheet so say a dime so school hospital sorry and I will container bi wo hia nchanse de aguso a DBS roofing sheet eno ne papa no e mo nwunu fine ti hunya sika kranto well condition ne fana DBS de no eno ano o madaroma ene de efisam e bro yensua de ne yetimi asua de ehunu se de ye pie me da se bebre so je breshe bidin de afia amankwa tamaklo nyamisha Priscilla naman woba Kofi Ampedu ebi ena fe Thomas PR ene Ike edo biase samoboa ye kwedie na pensempensemu no braso na mo before no 11:30 ebe hia mashase Evangelist Dina Samoa ene Wesley obi e ka ho asem owodi enti a say wasesemo no an kan but ene wasesemo san komodo say wa utie from nano ansa na pass o judgment a so dia 11:30 mashase ye de bebro nti mi ko ide na je say asempa kwesi asempa etnem de pensempensemo aba ono abo obi amu a odi ne time so keke o wa dada nyame hira ono abo nyame hira nti ye ko na fe komodi e ho ato aso
Well, I'm going to share Bedroom Jumedi wa Adom TV. Mama ma watch me na wase bebre so watch me try ho aba me ni kwesi asempa. Tinemu ama oman hene Kwabena Asante. Emphasize da kese ma Hepa Plus Mr. Franco Trading Enterprise, St Andrews Ultimate Remedial, St Andrews Healthcare College and a CD Herbal. I want to say the Hepa Plus ya de person with Jumedi de bro. Ya to aso da nesa biga fat na say from the camp of the MPP, Honorable Obi Amwa, Deputy Minister in charge of decentralization, local government, rural development. Honorable Mewakwa Bibia Boko, the Member of Parliament, Equiapem South, Honorable Constituency Boko, Mrashe Bedjam Boko.
And you are just Michobia.
Right.
We are so Boko.
I mean, you who not check Accra.
So they are mission. We were Tamale mission. For the past 2 weeks, the Quay said, I'll be moving around Accra.
Okay.
With my minister and other colleagues.
Okay.
We zoned the country into 4. We were meeting the MDCs.
Okay.
So we are Eastern, Central, Western, the Siamo Cape Coast.
Okay.
And then Ashanti, Bono, Ahafo, near Siamo Sinyane.
Okay.
Then we move up, Tamale near Shia, those up there.
Okay.
Yaba, who, Oti, Volta, Greater Accra. So that's the kind of work we've been doing for some weeks now.
But so far, Juba Mobone so any.
Oh, there's still work to do and room for improvement. Because we are fair no haba. We should not pretend to say overnight, he will know the job. You have to insist and push them to even read and read and read. Okay. Because Local Governance Act, for instance, is supposed to be your daily guide. You can't go to the office without looking through your Local Governance Act. A lot of issues come up, so no, I be paying. And he knows what it is.
Right, I'm for Honorable Obiamo, a member of Parliament, the Kwapimsa constituency on the Deputy Minister, Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development, Artenica. Giorgio Pariado, the National Youth Organizer, NDC, Pablo Mimakwa, Boko there.
Yeah, Nyamiado.
I hope so, NDC Muniome Koye.
NDC, they be a Koye. Yeah, inside, they be a Boko. Akaze, Omaino. Sabi Oshobe
one side say you
that's what I can side there.
And I'm saying I say abai na ebe ye na dwuma te say abai. Na baby a study ne dollar na keka ko do. Omo to na mo ebe boa. Na you can't plan anything.
But no bisa say mo side na ye youth na say.
Baby the whole NDC is in good hands.
Okay.
For so one puff we say don't get here John Mama omo craft party.
Omo contest who should be chairman. Now side now.
Who
for some para mosquito.
Obi a be declare. Obi a be country.
Obi declare ado for some para.
Obi a be country nchire o. Me ntie. You don't catch me. That's the stars now.
Honorable
the national chairman is Honorable Samuel Ofosuampo. The general secretary.
Okay.
For now. Okay. You know, as it stands now, Obiang country will be contested. What we know is that they are doing a good job. They are outreach.
They should stay where they are.
Next week, you right into Ashanti
region. They should stay where they are.
Next week, you right into Ashanti region. Near Eastern region. You go so yeah, Juma as a part. Yeah, I can say. Honorable Obiamwa.
Oh, they share topics that.
Local government minister. I'm making sure the common fund never come. Now, I'm with me Juma.
Honorable common fund then on the hard. But you are starting from
former DC, former DC, now minister for local government. They common fund.
And I think now also.
Common fund then on the hard. At least what boss in the NTV hotel. Common fund and
what's that the car? Yeah, the person cut off.
Papa said, I'm almost sure Martin, the NTV hotel because I had the common fund and I didn't know.
I'm so much.
One for a biako, Akabi.
Akas.
And the other fans, yeah, they call. And you know, as somebody can say, that only civil Kabia in recent times. For instance,
no, but we are specific on common.
For instance, about 2017, now I don't find D part for it. We had to pay $20 million as our counterpart funding for the donor.
DBF, no?
Yes, for the donor.
And then I'll say Jai.
No, they're Jai. Oh, because of a year, Muntia.
Oh, that's not true.
Until we've paid 20, it's on record. We have to pay $20 million for our donor partners to also bring their share of the fund. The DDF, it's been part of it before. Apart from common fund, other funds are consistent. You are assessed at the district level with all the indicators. Once you go through, they will transfer the money. For the common fund, some quarters are in arrears. Minister of Finance is in charge. As soon as they transfer those quarters, the common fund administrator will use the formula approved by Parliament to distribute.
And as it stands now, until at least.
Well, what we can only depend on the assurance from the Minister of Finance.
But money need to get out.
Yes, I mean, for instance, Abna, who is in Parliament, in charge of that, almost every day she comes to Parliament. It's an issue that we raise. That is how come, even last week, the minority side also raised that issue. And she responded. So we are expecting, say, as soon as possible, if the instruct the controller. So Sika will put it in the accounts of the common fund. The administrator will then apply the formula and send the money.
Okay, great. Matthew, Honorable Menda was say, Pablo, just a quick one on the common fund. At least YMC. How does it affect development?
It affects the
question, the leading question.
Honorable Obiawa can say other funds are it is not fair to the districts. Every other fund, for instance, DDF, no, it is based on an assessment. If you don't pass, you don't pass. DDF. The common fund, it is the constitutional funder. Constitutional city aside there. 5% of total revenue.
Not less than 5%.
5% of total revenue. Agama, Ajijina. And the key word here is total revenue. Ajijina. And I say the district assemblies for development. About we buy the first attempt on here is total revenue can no more better so. People have to go to court. Oh, honorable. Then okay.
Yeah,
people have to go to court because of the campaign. Can you write about the campaign? Say a certain amount mean a beko. So they have to even go to court to enforce it. Oh, constitution, you know. Honorable in country is how many courts and a common fund away in arrest? Usually the common fund is always in arrest one quarter. And I'm saying how many courts? And away in arrest.
How many courts now on him?
3.
Honorable, is that the case?
I'm not sure if 3 is almost a year.
Honorable, is that the case?
Yeah, entirely accurate. Go apart.
I said 3 courts.
Entirely accurate.
The deputy minister for local government.
Because common fund, honorable, and one development.
They
say the deputy minister of local government on national television. It me admit it. And can't try. How many courts?
Or say it is not
entirely correct. I am sitting here as a former MC of a Krapim North. Saying, sir, saying, sir, the common fund is in arrest 3 quarters, almost 1 year. You March, no more me and 1 year.
So 3 quarters.
Meanwhile, the law is that every quarter, usually the quarter is calculated a quarter in arrears.
That's what the law.
So at
the end of the
3 quarters. Must be for common fund. What it simply means is that no activity is going on at the district level. All the other funds are
which is what I'm saying is
the other funds are health insurance. They found districts, no? They are allocated to MPs. Oh, but health insurance, it goes to the MPs. The MPs decide how to utilize the fund. I'm an authority on local governance.
Authority.
Oh, but me 8 years. I come to school. It's
authority.
Now, if after this I'm not an authority, it'll be about 2 years craft and authority. Now
practically,
Ghana food.
Oh, the money is paid to the district, but the MP that administers it and decides how he wants to utilize it.
Administers it in what way?
That's all troll letter. But say, it is not the district that decides what the fund.
You apply. All right, you apply.
You apply for the fund. It's written the name of the
district. But it is the MP that decides. It's just like MP's common fund.
Common fund. What is it? Obi Butum.
All protected. For instance, MP's common fund there. It comes to the district, but it is the MP that decides how you utilize the funds. So that's it. Then DDF, District Development Fund, no, it comes when you have passed an assessment and you'll be an Inebi. And it is not true. So Honorable Chaka say, time DDF jai.
Oh, it's true.
The last projects are awarded
and I can
in 2016 were DDF projects.
And I can produce evidence.
So we paid $20 million. But every year,
Honorable Pablo, young cut here, that was introductory. But Honorable Common Fund, there was some money because had
the e-levy. The e-levy by
Pablo, Honorable,
and
as well, Honorable, and to say the first deputy speaker, dismiss a motion, but a motion there.
You may that's it. So, with the introduction of private members' motion, I bear common say, Obeko behu other paper no. Na more or less speaker admitted some of these motions. Motions will also stay on the other paper for a long time. And one of such motions, what was submitted by some members of the minority side regarding COVID. And the motion motion number 21.
That is the other paper now, what kind of?
Other paper.
Okay, right.
No other paper.
Okay.
Motion number 21. We come with TNU and some discussion in class. That this honorable house constitutes a bipartisan parliamentary committee chaired by a member of the minority caucus to inquire into the expenditure made by Ghana government in relation to COVID-19 since the outbreak of the pandemic in 2020. Titiana say, improve Ghana government our COVID-19 expenditure. But I was here chair our parliament. Speaker, after all these months, and now also admitted motions, it should be moved. So the motion was moved initially. Now, Federal Marking was bringing the attention of the speaker. Said he has preliminary objection. The speaker can say move motion now, even in second day. To move motion in second day, the long and short of it is said, no man, no my imagine that. Hey, what this car? You prove near chair. You be sure some more discuss speculations, allegations, like account. And side, I feel you mark me born about super. He did very well. I was in Parliament yesterday now. We share so deliver now. So Ghana has future. Everybody saying Gokrani boy and Chibiana. So Gokrani Mufrani. He did very well. And all that he said was on point. In the first place, Sabi, COVID expenditure, it came under various ministries. So our ministries in our committees of parliament, as our committees in the exercise oversight responsibility. That's number one. Number two, the Constitution has provided for an Auditor General and the work of an Auditor General. And if you permit me, if you start from Article 187
of the Constitution.
Of the Constitution. It goes on and on about what the Auditor General should do to the extent say he has 6 months to submit accounts of the previous year. Now, Parliament has set up a committee to go into the audited accounts of the whole country. Not only say government as government per se, but every institution which uses government money. 80 Parliament in its wisdom, Article Committee, Public Accounts Committee, I know minority member and a chair. But just what I say. So the argument was, yes, the Auditor General should have access to all books, records, returns, and other documents relating or relevant to these accounts. Are you saying, say, Auditor General, according to you, COVID-19, Ibiruma discanti. My account floors, Ibiruma discanti. Enyama Monamon Gomna prove say Ibiruma disca. And yes, I say, Auditor General in the human. Why that you may be not the audited accounts on to her. A binding on everybody, a constitutional imperative. No one find the findings in Mra. Now, Speaker, I refer my Public Accounts Committee. The Public Accounts Committee in find a report to Mra. They have every right to invite everybody to come and defend the report of the Auditor General or to come and respond to the reports. Now, I'm from Public Accounts Informal report, as is done. Then you know, debate, then we move the way forward. As simple as that. Otherwise, still, otherwise, the president will say, and it's not the first time, Sebiama Hoka and Sebia, a bipartisan committee, and Yajuma, where appointments committee. Last time, started President Akufo-Addo first appointments. Now, and everyone can say, I may be a seeker. Parliament agreed for a special committee to set up, to be set up to integrate this matter. I'm your chairman. Then cash, the famous cash for seats.
Yeah, cash for seat.
And also Parliament agreed. In the same vein, Tama Ibn can say, Abacha, my president, Rawlings $5 million. The issue was raised in Parliament, but the Speaker rejected it and said, we cannot have any such committee. The issue yesterday was, Auditor General, no, the functions weighing in. What is so special as a committee should be set up, led by the minority side. My biased already. So, when we have a constitutional body.
Yeah, I was so yeah.
A man who can say,
yes. Auditor General, no, yes. Audit accounts for the financial year.
Yes,
yes sir.
Yes.
Okay. You started spending COVID scan year ben.
COVID started March 2020 na COVID started yeah Chroma.
And you know, not just say year financial year back where we.
Yeah.
And you ever say March 2021.
Yeah.
A financial year.
No, financial year it will end December 2020. Until by middle of 2021.
Yes.
At most, there should be audited accounts.
Okay. As at now, Mebacho, do we have audited accounts on COVID expenditure?
I need to check. But if you don't have no. Now you take Roman, I'm on 15 years ground for audited.
What I'm saying, we are special. We are talking about COVID.
No.
So the bear more share better.
And I'm here.
Yes.
I'm here.
Yeah, me too.
Say for any reason, that's why I say I need to check. If for any reason, say 2020 audited accounts, Auditor General. On farmer parliament. It doesn't mean say on farmer the Mkakwati committee.
No, but honorable.
It doesn't mean that so if you bring the report.
One so
if you bring he has to bring the report.
Made 2021. Yes. There was a Obia anything, especially minority in parliament. Money chairman and more discuss.
And I'm saying this same minority.
Yeah.
I passed 2 budgets since COVID came. This same minority. All the COVID accounts will be a core committees. Say education, say health, say local government, the BR is here spending COVID. It came before the committees.
But more specific expenditure for the year, for the financial year.
Specific saying,
I'm spending.
Say finance committee. Say more reporter. Near Minister of Finance, they share budget in BR about COVID. It will be before you. Say. I year 2021 budget I year 2022 budget it came before you brought your report, we all debated it and we passed it.
Okay, honorable, and more any idea auditor.
It's not for us to respond. No, but either the constitution is independent.
Yes, but
the last interrogate the Auditor General time and I'll report over. As far as we are concerned, for 2022 and due for 2021. And yet due because 2021 he has up to middle of 2022 to submit it.
No, but we are talking about
for 2022. Now I'm sitting here.
Yeah, sure. 2020.
I must admit that sitting here. No,
yeah.
I don't know whether he has submitted it.
But you should be worried because
worried is saying
maybe Sana and Crawford speculating and what discuss.
No. I did 12 billion from 2016. Okay. 2 billion and accumulated to that.
Okay.
When Crawford candidates, we are the ones who should set the record straight. What I'm saying is, I don't want to say, or the 2021 about me here. That one there, auditor accounts, maybe could be a big group. I must be sure, say, which of the accounts has he submitted. He can even do special accounts on COVID. They do it. Sometimes, apart from all the accounts, Auditor General can decide, say, we audit only the accounts on COVID, and I will submit it to Parliament. And it's allowed.
Okay, and the first Deputy Speaker or dismiss here, none the ruling here then?
The ruling is, if there's an Auditor General who is required to do this same job, and he has to bring it and to be referred to Public Accounts Committee, the money in the Public Accounts Committee, near interrogate.
Okay, the Honourable, are we saying, say, even up to 2024, now say, Auditor General expenditure on COVID in farm by mobile train because or your independence. Is that the case?
No. You should understand the system of governance.
Okay.
What you say? Understand the system of governance. Your mandate says submit your report by this time. If you don't submit it, you finger on the rules.
Okay.
What you say? Don't lump us with the Auditor General. Onye independent. Onye Najuma. Don't report to me. No be interrogated.
Okay.
If you confirm Maya, then let's ask him, say, stand by now, but I'm saying, say, So annual accounts no here there. For the past year, they are swing. But previous year, no, say delay, then we expect him to bring it.
Okay, but Honorable, let us ask him. Who is supposed to ask him?
Everybody, including those of us in Parliament.
Okay, right. But Honorable Obiamoa, Anna Motin, member of Parliament for Equiapim South Constituency, Deputy Minister, Local Government, Decentralization, Rural Development, Pablo, my member also, National Youth Organizer, NDC. Well, until Honorable Amancho Chimo.
Asempa, it is worrying the posturing of Honorable Obiamoa and the NPP, and I'll tell you why. Sure, we pay e-levy in Ghana for her. One of the reasons why Ghanaians are against paying any more money, and they say
some Ghanaians.
All the polls that have been conducted,
no, some
over
Ghanaians.
80%.
Our polls now, yeah.
Many polls. I don't want to mention, but CTFM, other various media
80%.
on social media have run polls. Ghana Web around be over 80%. They be crying 91% against the passage of the e-levy. Wouldn't be in here. Saka ye J2 near the your mind area, nobody has issues with it. But ye J2 na ye who the 2 na is where people have challenges. So a posturing like this.
But who says that's why you have Dr. General. And you South General reports on Mukutu. Who says
it is what is leading to resistance now. You see in Chai 11, no. But Tini Pabi Bromoga said, and one be quite the no Mumbai and Kevin Gumubi. In 2020, I say this on authority, say one of the reasons why we pushy the then Auditor General out because he was calling to audit COVID for a account.
No, okay, so we pushing it out. I mean,
he was pushed out.
There was a process into the
He was pushed out. Everybody in this country himself, Dom Levlo was pushed out.
Okay.
Obieni. So because one go through, he was forced to go and leave. Obani has the keys. Obani the president said, "Ojana Juma to no." When the president, Auditor General is independent. When the president interferes with the work of the Auditor General, how independent is he? So yes, then said Dom Levlo was pushed out. One of the reasons why was because he had started calling for an audit of COVID funds. Right? You need to come on more. You who send ya COVID tika nyafu. Ewe yenu. We saw how people's fortunes turned overnight because of COVID funds. And 2 years after COVID, in 2020 now, Mama has free water, free electricity now. And I had this one, I'm this year. No. 2 years down the line, one report from the Auditor General on COVID ain't making the way to Parliament. One. Okay. The financial year, on his own admission, and I know him, senior lawyer.
My admission.
On his own admission, that's the law. The financial year ends.
Admission.
That is the law. But what admitted say, you boom brand so. The financial year ended in December 2020.
Yeah.
Year 2021. You who audited accounts. You were March when you baby were you, and then 23rd, say 24th, and then they tell me
22nd or something.
And then 23rd.
Yeah.
I got 5 days, not February, and the near were March. You who COVID funds accounts. You nimsika here, Mokoji fee IMF, the World Bank. Ama, there's even speculations about amount of World Bank, IMF, the money, and here declare Ukrumano. Say no crow. That statement is out there. It is only the audited reports and the best setting such matters to rest. And then you refuse to ask the Auditor General to do his job.
You refuse because the Auditor General is independent.
If a member of Parliament and a deputy minister from the executive and the legislature, say, Auditor General the report number, then you should be worried because you know why? We are buying the album so I was saying,
don't make it personal.
If
a deputy minister is sitting here, no name say don't make it personal.
Okay, I'm sorry about that.
Okay,
Obi, I'm sorry about that.
I apologize.
I've checked on the side.
So let's move on.
Obi, I'm sorry about
that. I'll say it's not personal. Okay,
Honorable, I'm sorry about that. But you see, if me are buying, not say Ghana for this war, bomb say, ya bokro no, You hear COVID sika, you di COVID sika nyafo. I will be the first person, 7 years Bonia, to push the Auditor General to bring his report before.
No, but you can't push the Auditor General because you're independent. You can only appeal to the Auditor General. Say, Auditor General, based on X, Y, Z. No, we can't push it.
After 2020, 2021,
push it.
The Constitution mandates, and he knows as a lawyer. The Auditor General must be forced to bring his report.
Anybody can raise it.
So if the government now, the allegations, they bomb no, muntu sana mona. Fine.
Pablo, just a quick one. Memoir to us. Lawyer Obi Amwa, me pacho say Auditor General and submitted the report per time I was all submitted. Then I'm running a found.
In the first place, I'm Manchester when Dini also. So then every person, individual, is entitled to ensure that the constitution
individual, including those in government, individual, including ministers,
including members of parliament,
including members of parliament.
I don't.
We are member of parliament.
Of course, I have every right in parliament to say, I'm raising the issue.
Yes.
Or submitting urgent.
And how say we can?
Why have they not taken that first?
And how say we can?
He's made certain comments which are very unfortunate. What he wants to say is, Auditor General back no few here for buy no. On what said that Bunani Agusu say unfair council.
Okay.
It's very unfair.
Okay. Pablo,
it's very unfair. Don't make such comments on national television.
If after almost 2 years, because we are in 2022, we ended in 2020. If after almost 2 years, accounts are yen na G2 say, and never be said you inquire, you fast such a chair, and then Nema, Sabi Nipa Bibne Abo, but Ambaso.
I don't do that. I don't think
no. And the Nimuzu say the funds were misapplied. The only way
you don't know that for a fact.
I am entitled to my opinion.
Yes, but the only way you make it emphatic statement.
The only way you prove me wrong. The only way I'll be proving me wrong.
The topic we are discussing. That's not what he is.
The only way you prove me wrong.
The topic we are discussing. That's not what he is.
And I'm still on COVID expenditure.
No, I'm going to say 7 minutes over this guy.
And I'm transmitting
the topic is there.
As a layman.
I'm
coming to that.
I'm coming to that. Thank you, man.
The only way you prove me wrong
is to speculate.
And they say, we catch them, say, accounts in here.
So accounts there, remember.
Me will be here. Remember, but if after 2 years,
I'm saying it's budgets about
I will continue to speculate. On the issue of, say, Deputy Speaker, a dismissal motion, you know, it is much unfortunate and it leaves much to be desired. And I'll tell you why. The Deputy Speaker, mind you, the moment you assume the role of speaker, you are not in any party's interest. You are there to represent the interest of Ghana for. Ghanaians want to know, and there is nothing wrong. Parliament has an oversight rate. In the Parliament is the master of his own rules and procedures. You know why they make that statement? Because, and yet, when Parliament decides to do, once it does not contravene the Constitution, they can do anything. Where there is proper parliamentary democracy.
Now, Pablo, speaker, on my reasons.
Okay. Yeah. Parliament has a duty to do anything once it doesn't contravene the Constitution. When private members demand for a bipartisan investigation or audit to cover the expenditure, it does not contravene the Constitution in any way. So it is wrong on the part of the Deputy Speaker.
No, it doesn't contravene, but provisions
what provisions?
But can reasons on my end. I'm making reference
to Auditor General.
Yes.
But the Auditor General is sleeping on his job as it stands today because the report 2 years old is not before
the other minority. I'm moving motion among can say Auditor General. As I now far reporting by we demand the report.
Are you saying? Is he saying Honorable Obiama in the last 1 year the minority has not called for the report of the audit committee on COVID before Parliament?
Baby Saba.
It is not true.
No, it is not true. But Pablo, do you know that for a fact? When? Last year when? Last year. Yeah.
Minority called for the audited reports on COVID.
Which month?
I cannot be specific with the month. But it has been in the news So you cannot sit here and pretend that you don't know this. And you can do as in our favor by checking with Parliament.
May check it, don't worry.
They have gone to ask for the report. So if after 1 year report number before the house, and these are issues, so Ghanaians are concerned about COVID expenditure. So if Auditor General there is nothing wrong as Asempa. Absolutely nothing wrong. Sir, yes, but about any time a bipartisan committee is constituted in Parliament, there are other constitutional bodies that are supposed to do that job. Yet committees are constituted. What is not true?
It's not true.
Committee,
it's not true.
Every group,
Honorable, who mentioned cash for seat? Was there any constitutional body and
Of course, yes.
Other than bipartisan member, maybe so honorable. Was there any?
What the standing orders of Parliament say? They say, apart from CL committees, they better have the ad hoc committee.
Yes.
If we think there is no committee responsible for that thing.
Okay.
In the case of appointments committee, even made 2 years ago.
No, cash for seat was not by appointment. Okay, appointment.
Yes,
appointment. In the case of appointment committee, I see nominated ministers in 2 years ago. We set up a bipartisan committee because we didn't have a committee, a specific committee to look at it. But if it comes to committee, there's a health committee.
No, not specific committee. Sure. The cash for seats. There was an institution in this country called the police institution.
Okay, information I mean, on the 29th of September 2020, minority demanded for the audited report.
Too many times. Of COVID accounts. Too many times.
What I'm saying. Too many times. What I was saying is,
no, maybe what's it there?
What I'm saying is, in Parliament, if you say you ask, let's say an agent question.
Yeah.
Say na me if you share free auditor general. Now be a minister where they be answer. And now speaker say, Yema will be answer. That one is official. What I say. Number 2, depending on what you want, if a committee can ask that any institution that they have oversight, should come forward to answer questions. Those are the ones. Yes, we pay a year, so we call for auditor general to bring the report. That one, I may not even be aware. And that one, it's not official. I'm telling you about the official situation when you call for a report to be made.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
So it is not true that the minority has not called for the Auditor General to bring his report before Parliament.
How did you call it? How did you call it?
The Pablo
is it coming to sit here, Pablo, and say that Auditor General should bring a report?
There is no propaganda to this. We are calling for accountability of our money.
Okay.
Me know what I say. Because there is speculation that the IMF was the World Bank, two different figures were quoted.
Right.
The only way you as a government can put this matter to rest, not to crowd and they say a report will be put out by the Auditor General.
Of course.
Okay. In the absence of that, when we call for a bipartisan approach to deal with this issue, there is nothing wrong.
We will not let you preempt
for commercial break. Adam TV, big game, and person in January 2020, a Moti committee to investigate the depreciation of the CD. Akosi saying committee in Jumabe and Motimi are still there was a CD to dollar rate, enkoye. Right, I'm saying now I see baby see trying one about Adam TV big jump and mu the question asempa me guess honorable Obiamo deputy minister local government decentralization rural development and our face George Opariado the national youth organizer Emma NDC and so quickly you move on from parliament and after you call the CD depreciation honorable my member also I recall say in January 2020 form a committee Imani Ghana Franklin Kujokra no count honorable Free Yakoto no count together with prominent Ghanaians to investigate the depreciation of the CD. Reports when on the brain master CD near one.
I would just Obi Nasu is playing a devil's advocate. You be saying a devil nankasa. I understand you are playing a devil's advocate. This morning I checked several stories, including stories from multimedia. the city had been performing very well for the whole of 2021. I'm saying depreciation by 2.something%. How about the records here? Before then, so we need time. City ni gene ho 18%, 20%. They be also announce so stringent measures. Because Sky say, because no one do manage city no. We have managed the city very well. This year, I can say
at the time I end this year, if you are buying money, city to dollar, I say.
City to dollar, up to 5 point something.
3.9.
Yeah,
check your records.
So 3.9,
check your
and as
records.
at now,
please.
city to dollar is almost 7 cities.
Yes.
Not managing, no.
I'm managing very well for this number of years. They are managing very well because for one more year, number of years, as I said, the way I see the now you need to be a bit more quick.
But 2 cities, not 2 cities.
As this year, as we even speak, as 4%. By your own reports, multimedia. The records are here. I can show you
4% of what?
Of depreciation of the city. Beginning of the year. I almost say.
The rate of depreciation. Now let's use the figures itself.
It's the same thing.
It's the same thing. At the time, Obifia Bem, which was 3.9.
Yes.
Then you told us to say the fundamentals are weak.
Yes.
It will expose you.
Yes.
And mobile, you have the men. Now it's almost 7 cities.
It is
and
7 cities.
But my joy online, CD depreciates by 2.6% to dollar in almost 11 months. I'm report. I'm saying, do the shah say, CD, this is what we need to interrogate. It is CD 5.8, now it costs 6, now it costs 6.5. Obiaga say CD value no conform. But we are talking about the quantum, the appreciation level, the percentage. Timisrao say you can in absolute terms, you can in percentage terms, I'm saying in MPP's time, CD has been managed far better than the NDC's time, and the records are there to show. And because the other aspect is to say, even though we are not in normal times, sometimes at the beginning of the year, activities at the beginning of the year also affect the city. And if you manage your things well, some activities across and by the end of the first quarter, they start to reduce. Because you manage your things well, no matter stabilize it. It me, based on how we are managing it. I mean, can say on record with the management of city as go to me to our city depreciation 18%. 18%, what the absolute terms are. It's the same thing. The city no 3. Now we depreciating about 4 within a short period. Just what managing it. I'm saying is we have to admit say I fear I shall say city na holding akofom. Factors no baby. Times a woman eka ho. Say ankofo nya mu kakra, ompese mo kra no ma no. It will affect the city. Say ya afina so a omo make sika wa ha also mo transfer sika no kono it will affect the city. But just what you say business bebre wa ha say be omo keep omo sika wa ha. Even for just for example's sake MTN. If MTN makes all its money at the end of the year, at the beginning of the year, it decides to transfer some of the money outside to its parent company, to other companies. They will not transfer CDs.
But I am breast open away.
Of course. Yes. Because I'm managing it, I'm
managing 2% what 7 CDs. Is that the better management?
It's far better.
Far better. At 2%
yes.
depreciation, there was 7 CDs.
Far better.
Far better.
Far better. If you look at the number of months that we have run this country, even in spite of COVID, it's far better than what they did. No. Because almost figures it was and they put in measures which didn't even work. What I say, and I'm saying, of course, for record purposes, better management in compare. And I'm saying, we are not saying, even it's in mediocrity and we are comparing. We are not comparing mediocrity with them. We are comparing saying eight man managing it better.
Okay, but
if the beginning of the year, if these are the issues,
I recall say Oman Peniku 4 times. Oman formed a committee to investigate the depreciation of the cemetery. But at the end of the day, 1:1, a buy.
Of course,
now, mobile, ma arrested, mo the key now, my IGP, my the form a committee of eminent Ghanaians, but still.
So the city shouldn't depreciate at all.
No, but what we are saying is that
I'm saying
what beyond that, in opposition, say you have the men, you can change it overnight.
Okay.
Until now, at least Ghana for the one name say 1:1 now you who your man Peniku for Abresolo.
Okay.
Mobile 4:4. Yes.
Okay.
But it's not the case.
The first place, where we said we had the men, we have proven say we have come to do far better than them. That's number one. Number two, in these circumstances, major countries, I'm not even referring to African countries, major countries across the world, their currencies have suffered. Whether it's China, whether it's US, whether it's UK, whether it's Germany, whether it's an European country, major countries, by this pandemic, their currencies have suffered. It's not in isolation, that's number one. Number two, I'm saying that even in this isolation, the whole of 2021, 2.6%.
Okay.
That is the record I'm putting down.
Pablo Bremame.
I can understand Mebrape Obiama and the difficulty he has as
in your estimation,
an MP and then a minister trying to defend government. Those explanations don't matter to her. In 2017, 7th January 2017, that cedi to dollar was 3.9. 4.2. Granted. But they ain't granting even at 4.2. I insist it was 3.9. I was there 4.2. Granted. No problem. In 7th January 2009, that cedi to the dollar was 1.9, almost 2 cedis. And your Baba inherited here. Between the 8 years, the cedi moved from 2.0 and now 2 cedis to 4.2. 2 cedi, 20 pesos.
What's the percentage?
Remember, today, I am coming to that. Today, in 5 years, 8-year period, 2 cedi, 20 pesos. In 5 years, from 4.2 to 7 cedis.
It's not 7 cedis.
The cedi is 7 cedis.
It's not 7 cedis.
So do the calculation.
The 2 cedi 80, that's 1 cedi 80 pesos.
So remember, in 5 years, what's that? 7 cedis. So 4.2. That's the 4.2.
Cedi depreciation. You lose. So I heard the facts and figures. It shows cedi depreciation there. Yeah, they are still
2.8. In 5 years, 2 cedi 80 pesos na ba bedaso. Yeah, in 8 years. 2 cedi, 20 pesos na bedas.
You true, by your calculation, you're wrong.
You don't need rocket science to tell you. You don't need rocket science to tell you, sir, the city performed better under the NDC than the NPP. And I'll tell you something for free. I have always maintained, sir, the only reason why NPP before journey away from IMF and the World Bank, they say, they are manufacturing figures that only say when third parties come in, they will be exposed. The fundamentals of the economy. And when the city, when your exchange rates will expose you, the fundamentals of the day he made that statement. And when the city started depreciating, I will another opportunity. Or say that it doesn't mean, sir, when your exchange rate is going up, the fundamentals are weak. Meaning, whether we like it or yes, our fundamentals are weak. If in 5 years, when the 2.2 cedi 80 pesos account, no be in 8 years, 2 cedi 20 pesos, who has done well? We're basic, simple. You don't need an economist to come and explain this to you. As it stands today, cedi no, from 2017, ABCN, 2 cedi 80 pesos na babeka from 2009 to 2017. If you are buying 2 cedi 20 pesos na babeka. It's simple as ABCD. So you can choose to do.
But no. But
that is the truth. That is the truth. You can choose to make all the noise about it. But this is reality. So when you sit back and you tell us, say, you've managed it better, no problem. Go kaisi, komakola, na go catch a trader and say, we're managing it better. Because at the end of the day, he needs more cities.
Okay.
To go and buy more dollars. And some argument of and transfer sika Is this the first time every year the MTF won't transfer profits?
No, but I admit it, sir.
So it is a non-starter.
Okay, great.
It is a non-starter.
But it's one of the factors. But it's one of the factors. It's one of the. It's one of the. But honorable, only challenge is the only challenge is no, but Pablo, honorable, my only challenge is you're setting up a committee to investigate.
Competent men.
And the report, I'm going to be a report via my country Ghana for say. Reasons Emma Sydney depreciated.
Politics here is you.
120K. For what?
120K and Cassidy depreciated.
I believe in figures.
Yeah.
The poem post argument here. If data and you see use data. Yes, so we could and I
am calling for the committee's report.
As I sit here, I don't know internally whether they've submitted it. As I sit here, I don't know whether they've submitted it. How do I interrogate
it? Let's move on. Now, finally, fancy. Yeah, we still Parliament. So, colleague, Honorable Sarah Adwoa-Safo, yes. What's happening?
Honorable Adwoa-Safo. The bar parliament, or bar parliament, the call recess, the sambai in whom you build. You know, I can say, only chrome her. You be so abroche. Abroche, then, no, you be so sunny. In Tiadena, or ma. You be so all corn will be sa permission and records no and a chair. In fact, there be a parliamentar. You will vote and proceedings. Inti, Ospia, Ober parliament, you have votes and proceedings. Maybe I would absent. Oh, sorry, Mr. Speaker. No, I'm not how. In the table office, or correct it, say, you know. Now, when you didn't free absent, and call those present. In the same way, no, your list be so absent without permission. What you share one also, fill a form be just on your permission. And you two boy in a bit me way. What you say? Two boy, a question constituency. This will also be Rashi Bantam. Maybe I saw Parliament upon. Okay. In that case, I'll be marked upset without permission.
Okay, but I'm just for the any actual anything.
Yeah, just for the no. Or call on my.
Until absent with permission.
So as far as I look at votes and proceedings, no. So without permission or mature, with permission is or mature.
He's not
vetted his mind to it.
Okay, Pablo, Bacho quickly. You have 30 seconds. Pablo, quickly, Bacho 30 seconds.
I am interested in the 120K now, Kennedy Japan say as a citizen of Ghana. I am also interested in the private jet tie, you go for address of some brand.
Private jet Benny, they go far.
Well, hey,
the private jet was sent. Private jet. I am not the one saying this. I am calling for an investigation into the statements made by Honorable Kennedy Japan. As a citizen of Ghana, $120,000 was a pound.
I was expecting say Modoba party and come at least maybe sana said match what is going. Well, I was saying no as big job person. I'm passing up my George Parade, National Youth Organizer, NDC. Honorable Obi Amo, me didn't kwesi asemba, me tire mu e mo mine Kwabena Asante. Good morning.